Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. We are here in SEO Stack Keyword Tool, helpful for all artificial intelligence in digital marketing students. It's helpful for everyone who out there have learned AI DM. Okay, so what is this all about? So this will help you to actually research on a lot of keywords that you can do videos on, or you can write blog articles based on this, or even you can input these as tags to your YouTube videos, or even use this on your website by creating different blog articles for those particular topics. So just search for SEO Stack Keyword Tool, and then you have a SEO Stack Keyword Tool out here. Okay, so once you do that, you all gotta click on this SEO. It'll look like kind of a bulb, okay, kind of a light bulb like this. Okay, so it's a yellow light bulb that's radiating light. That is what is a SEO Stack Keyword Tool. So once you add it to Chrome, it's already added here. So you will see this. Just click on that. Okay. Once you do that, this is the dashboard of SEO Stack Keyword Tool, guys. Okay. They have an amazing version here, 1.1.7, and all you got to do is type the keyword that you want. So suppose I type digital marketing. Okay. Here, I have to give a wildcard or a modifier. So I can give A to Z, 0 to 9 questions. If I want questions, I can give that. If I don't want questions, we can not select that. That's fine. Prepositions is fine. So I can give Google, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, or Bing also. Okay, guys. If I want Pinterest, Amazon, YouTube, eBay, I can do that. So I got to choose a keyword country. So typically, I will be choosing India and English language. So I click on Start. And now it's going to give me a lot of keywords. It's going to give me a lot of keywords. You see this, guys? It's generating 200 keywords out there. You see that it's still generating 250 odd keywords. Okay, now it's become 299. Oh my God, 330, 340, 350, 370. Pretty good, right? So here it will show. Now this is the keyword. This is the rank of the keywords. This is a seed keyword. This is a source from where it has picked the keyword. So be it Google, Bing, or Yahoo, or whatever it is. Okay, so it's going to give the keywords. Now once this entire process of keyword hunting is finalized, you can look at, it'll automatically stop. Otherwise you can yourself, if you want these keywords, particularly these keywords, whatever you feel that it's all done, it's amazing, then you can click on the stop button here. So I'll click on the stop button. Now once you click on the particular stop button, all you gotta do is you gotta click on plain text view. Okay, or you can export it as a CSV for an Excel sheet. Okay, so typically what I do is I export it as CSV. Otherwise I can even get to the plain text view, or I can click on get volume plus CPC data. Now what I can do is I'll do the plain text view here. Now I got all the keywords here, and then I can directly copy them. I can copy these keywords, and I can put in an Excel sheet, put in a Google sheet, and then I can think about creating blog articles, videos for these particular keywords, or I can add it in my blog tags or my YouTube video tags, or whatever it is, I can add that. Okay, so if I want to clear, I can clear. Now if I want only questions, all I gotta do is I can just remove the A to Z or the 0 to 9 modifier, and then just questions and prepositions. If I want, I can do that. If I want just questions, I'll show you. So now I'm changing the country to US. So give me a minute. I got to figure out where it is. Oh, okay, here it is. Language is fine. So Google, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo is fine. I'll remove Yahoo a little bit and Bing. Just Google, I'll have it here. If I want YouTube, I can do that. So Google and YouTube, or only YouTube, I can do that. Then click on Start. Okay, I clicked on Start. Hold on. I forgot to mention to you that you got to always refresh in order to do it again. Okay, so that's what you got to do. So questions from YouTube. Okay, you got to refresh. Now click on Start, it'll work. Okay, guys. So now typically these kind of videos are going to video questions are going to show up. Okay, this is sources from YouTube, so I can stop it. So now if I want the source to be prepositions from Google, and then I got to, again, what should I do, guys? I should change the keyword. So maybe I change it to marketing. If you want to give more keywords, just give artificial intelligence here, digital marketing, or whatever keyword. You can put it in every line. You can segregate the keywords across. So once you do that, then you got to, what you got to do is you can choose whatever modifier you want. So I was choosing the prepositions part here, right? So I'll just choose a preposition spot, and then I choose the Google search as a source. I choose a Google search engine and US English, and then I click on start. You see this, guys? Now you're going to get a lot of keywords which is based on the preposition kind of thing, like best this, best marketing for new businesses, or say best marketing for personal trainers, best marketing for products. You have keywords like best social media marketing platforms for marketing or whatever, right? So I can again stop this, and then once this is all done, I can definitely go to plain text view and I can copy all this and then I can use it. Okay, so I hope you're understanding about these kind of technologies which involves the SEO stack keyword tool. So one more thing I forgot to mention here is you can always see the language. I'll show you with the language change. Okay, so now I just type in, say artificial intelligence. Okay, I type in artificial. Okay, I got the spelling wrong. Artificial intelligence. Okay, and now I want a different language. Okay, so I make it that or whatever. So I give Google and I click on start. Now the other language is going to show up here, which is not in English, Dutch language. So it's going to show up here. Okay, so the language is changed. So I can even make it Hindi. Okay, so Hindi, and always remember, you got to what you got to do. You got to refresh the page. So YouTube. So I if you want Google, that's fine. Hindi, and now I make it India. Okay, now I can get it in Hindi language. Let's see marketing. Okay, so what all keywords I'm going to get? It's in Hindi in the sense like Hindi language. Will be able to get that. That's pretty cool, right? So that's pretty awesome. Okay, so that's about. So even you can look at different languages here. You also have Vietnamese, whatever, Urdu, whatever, Turkish. We have Spanish. We have Russian, Polish, Korean, Japanese, Italian, Indonesian, German, and Catalan. That's a pretty good, and Chinese or whatever, Arabic and whatever. So that's about how we can use this amazing SEO stack tool, guys. It's pretty amazing in terms of how one can actually go ahead and create an impact by getting all the keywords right. So the keywords matter the most. What is keyword research? Keyword research is the main process. So if I type in what is keyword research, okay, so even if you have to use these kind of keywords, you got to use them, because definitely I think the keyword planner would matter the most. So you got to put these keywords in a keyword planner to figure out the CPC data, okay, cost per click data, which is very much impressive. So you can go ahead and remember I told you guys, so once you type marketing, and once you type that, and once you do that, once you do the start thing and when to do the stop thing, you'll get a plain text view, right? Okay, so in this plain text view, if you want to figure out all the keyword PPC related data, like CPC, right? So cost per click related data or pay per click related data. So you can always copy these keywords and paste it in the keyword planner. Okay, I want to show this in another video, how we can use a keyword planner. Okay, guys, for SEO stack. By getting the SEO stack keywords right, you can definitely go ahead and use the keyword planner tool. So I'll do it in the part part 3 video of this. Okay, see, part 1 we looked at pretty much how Google Trends have worked. Part 2 I stressed on SEO stack. Okay, part 3 I think we are going to stress on how you can copy the keywords to Google Keyword Planner. Okay, Google Keyword Planner, and how you can get the PPC or CPC results that's coming up. Okay. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan here, and typically we are here in Alexa Traffic Rank Chrome extension, which is Alexa Traffic Rank. Okay, so it's pretty amazing in terms of this is the official Alexa Traffic Rank tool. And what is Alexa traffic rank? It has all the kind of analysis, that can completely take over the what you call as the mindset. Okay, so what I'm able to tell you here is, suppose, so I'm here in YouTube. Okay, so I'm here in YouTube. So what I can do is I can just click on this Alexa traffic rank extension once I add it to Chrome. Once that is done, so I can have all these free stats that take over my mind in digital marketing. So I have here, say this YouTube.com is ranked number 2 in Alexa traffic rank, and the traffic rank in US is number 2. Okay, so these are the sites that are linking into YouTube, and these are the search analytics, top queries driving traffic to YouTube, and the Wayback Machine tells me how YouTube.com is looked in the past, guys. Okay, and similar sites are here, and then it's slow or not I can figure out because it's 2.916 seconds here. It's showing average load time, which is 76% of the sites so faster it takes. Okay, so what I'm able to tell you is now this is amazing, guys. Okay, so if you look at search analytics, you'll get a lot of details. You'll get a lot of details here. Okay, you can look at the kind of details which are here, and this, that you can look at that. Okay, in Alexa traffic rank. Okay. So what I want to show you is, if I want to go to YouTube and I click on Alexa traffic rank, I want to show you one amazing thing that is called as Wayback Machine. Okay, so I click on that. It takes me to web.archive.org/web/*youtube.com. Okay, so this is the Wayback Machine that is going to be here. So what does this ultimately this Wayback Machine would do? So what I'm able to tell you is, so I'm going to close all this. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what is Wayback Machine. So it will tell you how the sites would have looked in the past. Okay, so this is the Internet Archive, guys. So typically this is a Wayback Machine. Okay, Wayback Machine. So what it's going to tell me is, I can just put one more enter here for me to actually go ahead and do that. So there it is, youtube.com. Now once I give an enter, suppose that doesn't load. Okay, so what does this do is it will showcase how youtube.com or whatever site you're looking at looked in the past. This is like a time machine. Okay, so suppose how did YouTube look in 2005? Let's see that. Okay, so 2005, say April or July 1st. How did youtube.com look on July 1st, 2005? You're going to see it now for the first time in the world, and you're going to go mind blown. Okay, so let's see how that works, and then you can change the site to whatever Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever site that you want. You can do that. Okay, you can change the site URL. Now let's wait for that to load. It'll take some time because it's going to crawl. It's going to crawl YouTube. Okay, so this is how YouTube looked. July 1st, 2005. Okay, I have Sharanya here, who has suddenly come in after having the coffee. Okay, and she is completely mind blown. Right, Sharanya?
Right.
This is July 1st, 2005. How YouTube looked. Can you believe it?
When I was fifth standard, I think.
Pretty amazing, right? So let's look in August 2006 how it looks. Okay, or let's fast forward further, Sharanya. What do you think? Okay, what do you think? August 2006 is a good time?
No, 2009.
Okay, 2009 is it? So
after 4 years.
Yeah, exactly. So what I need to do is I have to go back then. I have to go back. So let me go back. This is a pretty much educative because what it's going to tell you is how technology has improved, how websites have changed over times. Okay, July 29th, Sharanya, 2009. What standard?
29.
What grade or what standard were you studying by that time?
9th standard.
Okay, very good. Let's see how it comes. Good, very good. I'm talking about Wayback Machine. Okay, let's see. So it is loading July 29th screenshot. Believe it or not, Sharanya. Okay, it's loading, and it's pretty good. Okay, so let's wait for how YouTube.com. Yeah, it's slow because typically it has to pick. Yeah, there you saw it. Okay.
These are all not looking that much.
Yeah, that much impressive, right? So now the latest one, I remember this when
comparing to
now
how
it's
it looked like and how
oh
it
my god,
was.
it was like kind of a startup kind of thing, right? At that time, videos, shows, channels, community, whatever, right?
It looked like a normal website.
Yeah, it's like a normal website. Let's look at Amazon.com or whatever.
Right.
So you'll get a great idea. Okay, Amazon, how it looked. Okay, I hope it works. So July, wait, hold on. I had to go to Wayback Machine, so I had to click on that. Okay, so let it load. Now I click on Amazon. Okay, guys, how it is useful is see how much technology has changed. So now I can go back to what date? 2001. 2001.
Oh, huh?
Yeah, let's go back.
Amazon.
Yeah, 2001
At
on.
that time itself, Amazon is there.
Yes, Amazon is there
God.
from 1999 or 1998 or whatever. Or we can go to 2004 if you want it.
No, 2000.
2000 you want, okay, 2000.
I am a
March.
UKG student.
Okay, UKG student Charanya wants to see how Amazon looked on March 1st, 2000. We got a HTTP error. That means Amazon didn't load at that point of time. So I think we have to cross the more years.
Okay, 2004?
2004. 23rd March.
No,
Saranya.
go this side.
Okay, whatever. Let's see how it is coming. Then we'll look at August. Okay. So Amazon, no, again a HTTP crawl error we are getting. So it's redirecting. It's there might be a redirection in Amazon.
Okay, that much.
Yeah, maybe 2009. Let's see, 2009. 20.
Okay, 2009. I was 9th standard.
But still, we got to see how the Amazon worked, or maybe.
But I know. At that time I know Amazon.
Yeah, let's recollect your Amazon experiences, Sharanya. 2009. Look at Amazon. You remember these dresses? I mean, you remember this iPod when it launched? iPod.
Oh yeah, right. I also bought one iPod for my mom.
Okay, very good. So you remember that time, no? When iPods and this one, I think now it will be filled with masks only. But anyways, that point of time, see how it is amazing, right? Kindle Store, Kindle 2. Like amazing, guys. Amazing. Apple iPod Touch 8GB was there. What a huge change, right?
Within 10 years.
Yeah. Free 2-day shipping and all was there, right?
Think about next 10 years. After 10 years.
Okay. I want to check whether 2007 is there, okay? 2007, what standard you were studying?
7th standard.
What grade? Okay, fine.
I studied 2007, 7th standard in 2007, 8th standard in 2008, 9th standard.
Very interesting.
There
you see it. This is 2007, I think, right?
So nearly same only, 2009.
But the layout has completely changed, right, Charanya?
A little bit same only, little bit.
Harry Potter was launched that time, I think. Harry Potter or whatever.
Little bit changes only.
Harry Potter was trending by the time, correct?
Wow.
Oh wow, it's amazing, right? So it's pretty amazing. Okay, so now I hope you guys understood about how say way back. Yeah. Alexa launched recently, right? So that's all pretty good. So now you understood about how Amazon or YouTube would have a drastic change. Even Facebook or Twitter, you can try it out there. Okay. So, anyways, guys, that's how Wayback Machine works typically. Okay, that's how we have the Wayback Machine in Alexa Chrome plugin. You can check it out. Yes, definitely this will help you to explore how technology has changed over the years and how it has developed, how sites have changed, how the companies have changed, how the products have changed. This would be very useful for your competitive analysis and also useful for awareness.
Yeah, right.
The awareness factor matters the most, Sharanya. Yes, definitely. And I think Sharanya can go for one more coffee also right now. And yes, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off from this video. We'll be back in the next video.
Bye.
Okay. AI domination. I mean, digital marketing domination coming up. More domination. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, and we are here in digital marketing domination, and we are here in Seo Quick. So what is Seo Quick? How it can help you to the fullest potential is something which you got to actually look at. Okay, so just type Seo Quick Chrome extension. say Google. Okay, so once you type that, typically all you gotta do is add it to Chrome, and once you do that, you'll get it here. So I'm going to go a little down. Okay, I'm going to put this. Okay, so now what will SEO Quick do? So I suppose I'm here in YouTube or whatever site. Okay, so I can go to that particular site. Okay, now I can click on this SEO Quick extension, and now I can go to diagnosis, and it's going to give me a complete audit. Okay, so it's going to give me a complete audit. So the audit of it contains the page info, the diagnosis. So I will try it with a different site. So typically I can try it with say a different site, maybe Flipkart. So whatever site. So it'll give me a site audit. Okay, so I can go there. Hold on for a second. It takes a little bit of time for that to load. So yeah, there it loaded. So now I can click on SEO Quick. Okay, whatever site you want, you can try that out. You see this, guys? So you will see the Google index, the Bing index, Alexa rank, right? So SEMrush, web archive, or whatever you call it, time machine, right? So and then SEMrush score or whatever. Okay, so Google index, domain, Yahoo index, domain, how much how many kind of backlinks it has, and all this stuff here can be found out. And then display advertising, how many ads are there actually. Okay, so how many publishers are actually publishing those kind of ads, and 69% say media ads, and 31% text ads. And then traffic analytics, you connect your SEMrush account and figure that out. And then you have external, so I click on that. So here we have external links. The link, that's pretty cool. So now page info is also here. So the title is there, the meta description and the meta keywords are here. So you can figure that out of any site. Need not be just Flipkart. You can figure out that of any site. So then the total number of keywords, how many times it's been repeated, and the home pages or whatever, you can figure that out. So that's pretty good. And then diagnosis, SEO audit can actually be done amazingly. Yes, this is pretty cool. So this is all auditing stuff. Okay, so then we have density, and density is also pretty cool. Like the keyword density, the repeats and the density, and the keyword density and the prominence of those keywords. Okay, even for Amazon you can do it. So typically I go to Amazon, and all I gotta do, I gotta close all this, and then I can click on SEO Quick. Okay, and I can go to page info, and then it'll give me a great outlook on what do you call as a meta keywords, a meta description. The what do you call as a keyword density, the 2-word phrases, the 3-word phrases, the 4-word phrases. Okay, diagnosis, and then all this stuff which I already told you. Now if you want a more amazing stuff, you have Screaming Frog. I don't know whether you have heard about that. It's a pretty good tool. So Screaming Frog is an SEO spotter tool and crawler software. So it loads, I don't know why the site is down right now, or if I just refresh it, maybe it's my internet connection. I can refresh it. There it is. So it's not down, actually it's my internet connection out there. So it's pretty amazing for crawling. You can always crawl hundreds of URLs for free, and it's pretty good. And it helps to improve your on-site SEO by extracting the data and auditing for common SEO issues that are found in a site. You can find the broken links, audit redirects are there, analyze the page titles and metadata. You can also discover the duplicate content that is there, extract data with XPath, review the robots and directives, generate XML sitemaps, and crawl JavaScript websites, visualize site architecture, and vice versa. It's all pretty good, and it's pretty amazing. Screaming Frog is one of the greatest SEO tools of the decade, and SEO Quick is one of the greatest free SEO kind of a quake that causes an earthquake in terms of the SEO is concerned. It just means that you'll be able to decipher a lot of SEO information, SEO related information through SEO Quick, by the way. Okay, so it's pretty amazing, guys. So I think you understood how these tools would function. You can try them across. Okay, so it's all in the Chrome Web Store. You can try them, and it's pretty amazing in terms of how one can actually look at these kind of tools that can make or take your business or company or your website or maybe your app too to great heights of success. Okay, so I don't know whether you have heard about one more small technology tool which I want to talk to you about. I head over to Google and I type in one amazing technology tool that can change your entire facet of what you call as SEO forever. So I don't know whether you heard about that. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. So all you got to do is, it's called a site extension. So you put a site extension and you type in Amazon.in or whatever it is. So what it's going to do is, it's going to actually go ahead and it's going to show you this entire one, which is through the plugin. Okay, which we have already installed, Seo Quick and Alexa rank plugins, right? So through that, you're getting a lot of information here. Okay, so you're getting a lot of information through Seo Quick, I think this is. So a lot of information is shown here, and typically you get all the sites from Amazon. I mean, the pages from Amazon. You can see all this is Amazon.in, right? So you can see the site extension is going to give you all the pages from Amazon.in. And it's going to show you what are the top ones, what are the top pages that's going to crawl immediately. That's also pretty good, right? So it gives pretty much a great overview, or a great, what do you call as a great overview kind of thing in terms of the website or the pages are concerned. And then you can change that across to Flipkart too. So whatever you want, you can change it. Always retain the site extension and then you do it. Okay, then you can see Flipkart top products. I think for affiliate marketers this will be really useful, because you can figure out what kinds of products are selling the most and what kinds of what kinds of digital products or technology products are in fact selling the most. So you can do that. You can get a great idea about that and then promote the products in Amazon affiliates. I don't know whether you have heard about Amazon affiliate marketing. So if you looked at that, there is something called affiliate-program.amazon.in. Okay, so there you can earn with affiliate marketing. Okay, so affiliate marketing is pretty cool with Amazon. So it's really good in terms of earning from promoting products, different kinds of products that you can promote and earn a good lot of money. If you have the reach, it's going to definitely help. You need to have the reach out there. You need to have the people out there. You need to have a great blog. You need to have followers. You need to have a quick load of fans. Okay, then only it's going to work a lot. Okay, so that's about this one. So always try out the Seo Quick extension. Never forget that, and never forget about Screaming Frog. That's also very interesting, because thousands of SEOs and agencies worldwide use Screaming Frog. I myself have done technical SEO audits for different companies using Screaming Frog to the max potential. Okay, so it's pretty good, and the name itself, right, Screaming Frog, delights me to the core. Okay, cool. You're getting step by step ahead for digital marketing domination, I think, right? So one by one, as you move up your career ladder or your marketing company's ladder, you are going to shoot out what you call as one by one competitors. That means what's going to happen is as you move up and up the ladder, one by one competitor is going to fall behind. Okay, because your company is booming, right? So how is it booming? Because you're typically using the power of growth, right? You're going to use the power of growth hacking or growth, and then you're going to take that to the fullest potential. You're going to take your marketing to great heights of success through the power of growth, right? So that matters the most. Now, if somebody asked me what is growth hacking, I told them it's not hacking. It's what is called as hacking the growth of a particular company's products or service, or actually hacking the growth of the brand itself to take it to the fullest potential. Now, if one company is growing at say 10% pace, okay, your company is going at 90% pace with the same resources that they have, right? Or one or two resource changes that you might have better than them. This is the power. This is the power of growth hacking, guys. Okay, it's going to create a huge lot of difference. Okay, See you in another video. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, signing off from this amazing video. Incredible one, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan here, and we are looking at how you can go ahead and add a lot of Google Analytics properties that you own, and how do you insert the tracking code to the fullest potential. Typically it works very good for website owners, app owners, or whatever it is. So even if you have an e-commerce website, I think this is going to work a lot amazing. Okay, so all you gotta do is once you head over to Google Analytics, go head over to analytics.google.com and then go to admin. Okay guys, head over to admin, and once you do that, you can click on create property. There is an option there, and it'll ask you whether it's web that you want to understand about the analytics, or whether it's the apps you want to understand, whether it's an iOS app or an Android app to the fullest potential. So app and web, or both, you want to measure your users across app and web, explore cross-platform user-centric analytics to the fullest potential. You can do that. So now suppose I want to choose web, I can choose that, and then I can click on continue. And once that is done, all I can do is I can give a name to this. And always guys, here you got to look at the HTTP or HTTPS, whatever it is. You can use that. The industry category that you're looking at to be properly selected. Okay, so once you select that particular industry category, the reporting time should be selected properly. So if it's India, you select India. If it's US, you select US. If it's UK, you select UK. And then once it's done, once that is done, click on create, and then you'll get a tracking ID. It's like a normal ID. You'll get like UA or whatever. You'll get an ID. That ID is something you got to copy paste. Okay. If you get a tracking code, you can even use a copy paste for the tracking code on your website. That'll work wonders. Okay. Now we're here to talk about artificial intelligence in Google Analytics. Now where is that particular feature hidden? Now here it is. This is called Analytics Intelligence. Okay. So here click on more insights. So here you can figure out for your website what is the kind of basic performance, like how many users did I have last week. Once I click on that, it'll tell me that I had 85 users, and here it will also ask a follow-up question that you can select from. Okay, so here it says what browsers had the most growth in users, or show me a breakdown of the last of the top 10 browsers, the last users, or whatever. You can select that. Or right, so you can go at looking at what is the source, right? So what are the top default channel groupings by users, or understanding the trends, right? So trend of monthly users over the last 6 months, or trend of daily sessions over the last 30 days, or whatever it is. Then even we have content analysis, right? So what are the top pages in terms of page views? You can look at that in your website, right? So, and then entrances and exits for the top pages, that also can look at that, right? So then you can look at understanding the user behavior, new versus returning users last month. That matters the most. Okay, how long do users spend on your site is something which you can look at that. So suppose I go ahead and I can give that, let's see how long, 39 seconds. Pretty amazing. Okay, so see, whatever site it is, it will calculate per user. Okay, then you can look at geographic analysis. What countries do the users come from? What states in US had the most users, or what pages do people from California go to the most, or whatever it is. So you can do that. Technical performance. What's the average page load time? That is something which you got to witness. Short trend of the average page load time over the last 3 months is something you got to witness again, right? Worst country by page load time for countries with at least 10 users last month is something you got to look at. Highest landing page average load time is something you got to look at. So this is pretty amazing. So then you have saved ones. If you want to save some insights, so you can click on that, okay, particular insight, and you have this dot, right? So you can delete that across, or you can click on go to report. Okay, so once you head over to go to report, okay, so it's going to take you to the actual report. Okay, hold on for a second, it's going to take you to the actual report. Once that is done, here you have an option called save. Okay, now you also have an option to export this report. So if I click on export, you will see that you have an option to export the report to PDF, Google Sheets, Excel, or CSV. Okay, so you can pretty much go ahead and share that report, export the report. Then you can share the report to, if you want to share that particular report to a particular user, you can look at sharing that particular report. Then the insights are pretty good. So here insights are there. A lot of amazing insights are pretty much there here. So there is new visitor, returning visitor, which is marked in green. New visitors are marked in blue, and it's you can get a lot of information yourself too by looking at the analytics. So what countries or your visitors are from mostly, cities your visitors are from mostly, what kind of browsers they're actually using, right? What kind of operating system that they are coming from. So maybe some of them may come from Windows, some of them may come from Android, Linux, Mac, iOS, or whatever. Then service providers, right? So if it is set, then operating systems, then service provider, and screen resolution of your audience. Okay, that also you can look at that. That's pretty amazing. Then acquisition, all traffic, Google ads. If you have pretty much done any kind of Google ad campaigns to the fullest potential, you can figure out if Google ad campaigns are linking to analytics or not. You can figure that out. So you can figure out through your Google ads how many customers, or how many people have visited your website to the max potential, right? They also have a kind of a tree map that you got to it's really worth seeing the tree maps, guys. Okay, because here you can actually figure out, it's like kind of a flow, right? Like kind of a funnel flow. What is the funnel flow I'm talking about? Like, I'll tell you. Hold on for a second, I'll tell you what is a funnel flow. I'll go to Google. Okay, so the funnel is typically a stranger, okay, is going to come to your website. Okay, so he becomes a website visitor. I've told this in pretty much courses. So the stranger becomes a visitor, the visitor becomes a customer. Okay, the customer is going to become a repeat customer, and the repeat customer is going to become a brand ambassador. Okay, so this is how the funnel would flow. A stranger who sees your ad, typically sees your ad, or he sees a banner ad, or maybe he hears about your website somewhere. He clicks on that ad or whatever. Maybe he even sees your text ad or your YouTube video, and comes to your website. Correct? He turns into a visitor. Then a visitor becomes a customer by purchasing something from your site. He actually goes on to play a huge role in repeat sales, and then he becomes a brand ambassador. What is a brand ambassador is? He's your fan. He's completely devoted to you, right? So he becomes a fan to you, right? So that is what is called as a brand ambassador, correct? So that's how this entire thing is. This is called a marketing funnel, by the way. Okay, and whatever I taught you here is marketing analytics. Okay, and whatever is here that you see over here, right? If you go to the home and then you see the to the right, you have, this is called analytics intelligence. Okay, analytics intelligence. All these key terms, keywords, you got to write it down somewhere. Take notes of it. Okay, that's because it'll help you sometime or the other. It's going to help you to the max potential. Okay. Pretty much, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, signing off from this video. See you in another video in marketing, digital marketing domination. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan here, and we are here inside one of the greatest Google ads, okay, ads.google.com. And here we have tools. Okay, we are going to look at different kinds of research here. Okay, so we're going to go to tools and we are going to go to keyword planner. Now, why we are going here is something which I gotta convey. Okay, so here you can discover a lot of keywords, a lot of search volume and forecasts, and you can use the same keywords to create content or videos, and it will result in high cost per click campaigns. So typically, for example, I type in digital marketing. Okay. And I can even input a particular website domain, or I can just input the main keyword. So I can either start with a website or directly start with keyword. So I click on get results. Okay, once I do that, now what's going to happen here is we're going to get these keywords out there. Now this also has the top of page bid and top of page high range, and this is the low range. Okay, so now what we can actually do here is I got to click on this to make sure I get the descending order of the top of page bid, which is kind of low range. Okay, so once that is done, what I can do is I can actually go ahead and figure out what the kind of low range the top keywords are. So top of page low range. So here it shows Amazon digital marketing strategy, performance marketer, online marketing solutions, digital marketing customer journey, top marketing firms, digital advertising solutions, Salesforce digital marketing, marketing asset management, hospitality digital marketing, digital content strategy. These are the top keywords out there. So I can base my content on YouTube or my blog based on these keywords. Okay, these are the top performing keywords. So I'll be maximizing my revenue on YouTube if I have monetization enabled, or my blog if I use these keywords in, because these keywords matter the most. So I can just download, guys, these keyword ideas in Excel, and I can create content based on these keywords. Believe it or not, I'll be resulting in this will be resulting, I will be researching so this will be resulting in high CPC campaigns, cost per click campaigns, be it YouTube ads, because YouTube has different kinds of ad formats. Okay, so I just go to YouTube and type in ad formats. Okay, so suppose YouTube ad formats are different. So if you're a YouTube creator, you'll understand about the ad format of YouTube. Okay, so they have display ads, which is 360 specifications. They have overlay ads like this, which is 468 into 60 or 728 into 90, which is image ads or text. They also have skippable video ads, which people can skip after 5 seconds. Okay, and this plays in video player, whatever. They also have non-skippable video ads, which cannot be skipped at all, 15 or 20 seconds. Then have bumper ads for 6 seconds, and it's also pretty good. Earlier I thought it was 7 seconds, but guys, it's only 6 seconds. And they have sponsored card ads, okay, content ads, such as product featured in the video, whatever. So card sizes will vary accordingly for desktop and mobile devices. So that's pretty good. So these are advertising formats. Now, if you want to rank a lot, rank in the sense is get money a lot, like monetize a lot. Okay, how do you do that? You got to choose these keywords. So if you want to choose digital marketing or e-commerce niche, that works out pretty amazing. If you're a digital marketing artificial intelligence expert, this works amazing, because typically these are the kind of keywords that you got to look at. Okay, so I see that Shopify has a great category out there for e-commerce. Okay, so if you put any other niche, it will vary according to the niche. So suppose I have business, okay, and I click on get results in the particular business niche. So I can figure out what are the trending, high cost per click campaigns in the particular niche. This is very important for you. This educative video will change your life, right? As a YouTube creator and also as a digital marketing expert. Now you can go tell your friends and colleagues about this, right? So this is amazing. So here you see business, and I see that Business Week is trending, SaaS companies trending, business ethics is trending. Trending in the sense it gets a lot of money for the clicks, right? So young entrepreneurs, whatever. So this works wonders, okay? So pretty amazing out there. So that's about it. So now you understood about how you can actually go ahead and use the power of keyword planner, okay, which is in ads.google.com, to actually skyrocket your YouTube, what do you call as revenue. It works well for YouTube, and also blog revenue. It works a lot. For e-commerce also it works a lot, because you can create e-commerce site, you can create a blog with these specific keywords, and what happens, how does it work a lot for blogs? Let me tell you. Now suppose you have these keywords, right? So what you're going to do is, if you use the same kind of keywords, when people like advertisers, okay, like people like advertisers actually who want to actually go ahead and create an ad, okay, so their ads will show up in your site, because you have relevant blog articles or relevant videos pertaining to that particular niche. Now that's how it's going to work, okay? So even if you have relevant say e-commerce products, right? If you have relevant products, it will actually showcase, their ads will also showcase as a banner ad in your particular website. That's going to work wonders, right? So you can feature a lot of banner ads and get a lot of money through display ad campaigns. And typically I think this works very good for that purpose itself. Okay, for videos it's number one. For videos you can use it to the fullest potential. For blogs also, to skyrocket, you can use it for the fullest potential. And I think in the next video I'm going to talk about how Google ads, you're going to put ads on your site and all this stuff. It's pretty amazing out there, and it can change your life as say a marketing or a digital marketing expert, or an AI powered digital marketing expert for the fullest potential. And typically, as I end this particular video, I also want to talk about kind of a bonus tool here, okay, which is called as inboundnow.com/apps/kill-writers-block. Okay, so what this will do is, it will help you to generate more and more blog title ideas, okay? So you can actually look at the kind of title ideas here. So for example, advantages to hiring the best, and put your keyword. You understood, guys? So whatever keywords you picked from the Google what do you call as ads, a keyword planner, right? So all you can do is just sync that particular keyword here. See, for example, if your keyword is Shopify marketing, so advantages to hiring the best Shopify marketing experts, that itself would become kind of a blog article or a video, right? Another one, let me give a double example of this. Okay, so the best kind of, if your keyword is, say SEO, right? So you say the best kind of SEO tips you will ever encounter in the 21st century, whatever. So you also have to have creativity. See, AI can only take you 1 or 10 steps forwards. You gotta put the 11th step out there, and you gotta win. You gotta put the 11th step, take your flag, put it there, and win, right? So that's your career flag out there that you won. Okay, so yes, so what I'm able to tell you is, this itself will help you to, this is called the content blog formula. Okay, so blog title formula, right? So here you can actually figure out and make a great ideation process can be done by you, or your team members can sit together, ideate, and figure out a great title based on the Google Keywords Planner. And this is a formula to get the greatest title that you are actually looking at. So that is what, so you can generate a title idea by clicking on this, and then you can definitely generate. So you don't have to even click. I think this itself will give you the top ideas. Last one, let me do it, okay? The top SEO tricks must, or the top marketers must follow SEO tricks on Twitter. Or the top 10, it says number, right? The top 10 must follow SEO tips by experts on Twitter, or whatever. You can the top 20 must follow digital marketing experts on Twitter. Oh my god, it's a very confusing formula, by the way, but you get it right. I want to start one more. Are you nuts to learn digital marketing with AI? No, you're not. Now that is the title. You understood, guys? How to end SEO algorithm. How to end SEO algorithm, or can say how to end the SEO problems in 2021. You understood, guys? So you gotta think out loud. You gotta think out loud. It's very easy. Okay, the lazy man's guide or way to Google Ads success. Okay, so I got certain things right, I got certain things wrong. So you gotta go ahead and plan that yourself. Okay, you gotta brainstorm, guys. Brainstorming is crucial and important. Let's see you in the next video. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. Here is how you can set up auto ads on your site for digital marketing domination. So how do you do that is very easy, guys. So first of all, you gotta head over to google.com/AdSense. So your actual page will look like Google AdSense will look like this. Okay, so type in Google AdSense. And then here is what you will be able to find in Google AdSense. So you will see what you call as the Google AdSense page where it says make money to monetization. Okay, so hold on, I think I gotta click on this once again. So that yeah, there it is. Okay, turn your passion into profit, and this is the right ads for your audience. You're in full control. Only the highest paying ads go live. Okay, that's pretty amazing. So you want to sign up, you gotta add your particular website URL. Okay, so once you do that, once you add your website URL, they're going to take some time for your website to get approved to see that whether it suits the Google standards. Okay, so once that is done, you'll get an option here called as auto ads for your site. So this option you'll get. Okay, so auto ads are something like what is auto ads is automatically it places ads according to the specific requirements that your sites actually have. So you don't have to do anything. You can even run experiments based on auto ads. Okay, so automatically it fits the ads to the particular ad units, sites, or whatever in your website, and automatically it showcases the existing ads units that you have. Everything will get filled. Okay, so ad spaces, right? So whatever it is, it'll do really good. So that is auto ads for you. Okay, so you can actually go ahead according to ad unit. Okay, and you have display ads, you have in-feed ads, you have in-article ads. Okay, so it's going to work wonders. All three are really amazing. And then Google will also have a global settings here. Okay, so you also have the ultimate option to let Google optimize the size of your mobile ads for that matter. Okay, so it optimizes the ads size of your mobile phone, whatever. Google ads are the best in the planet. Okay, so next you have ads for search also. Okay, so what this does is like kind of what you call as the search engine kind of things, right? So typically they have the custom search engine that you can create and put it in your website. You can get the code here, and then it's kind of a custom search engine for your website, believe it or not. You can do that, and here you can look at the sites that your ads are running, and then you can also look at the optimization part of it, and then you can do the custom channels part also, and you can also see which publishers, which ads you want on your site and which ads you don't want in your site. So you can have the blocking controls mechanism. Suppose you want these kind of ads, you can have that. If you don't want these kind of ads, you can omit that on your site, which is pretty cool, by the way, right? So it's pretty amazing, by the way. So this is the best ways to set up auto ads on your site. Okay, it's really incredible, it's really cool, and it's really impressive. Amazing stuff that has ever happened, right? So you can make your web pages fast on every kind of device, believe it or not. It's in here in developers.google.com/speed/page speed/insights, believe it or not. So what does this do, guys? Very easy. So if you're analyzing a web page URL, okay, so whatever website you're analyzing, amazon.co.in, whatever, so you can analyze. So whatever website that you put in over there, it's going to analyze the page speed insights. It analyzes the content of a web page and generates suggestions to make that particular website faster. Okay, believe it or not, this is the most amazing stuff. So suppose I have one more website. So maybe Amazon didn't return this one. Okay, so I can put in some of the websites. So maybe I can put in adsense.google.com itself. I can analyze this. Okay, so let's look at what it analyzes. Okay, sometimes some websites may have an error, or it can be a network issue, or it can be some error with the HTTPS. Now it's come right now. Okay, so here you go. So it talks about what kind of stuff can be done. Okay, there are lots of opportunities. Remove unused JavaScript, defer off screen images, or whatever. So it tells about it gives suggestions, right? So past audit, the speed score is based on a label or whatever. So the average loading time and all this stuff. So what I'm able to tell you is very easy, guys. So if you are actually going ahead and supporting supporting your partner or your client's project, and you're directly undertaking that particular project, okay, you're supporting them, you're undertaking the particular project, what you can do is you need this as part of your audit report that you give to your client, believe it or not. So get that audit report of your client's website through this, and just give them the report. Okay, you can even reanalyze the report. Suppose at first point of time the report didn't come out correct, you can always go ahead and reanalyze that particular report. Okay, so then give it to your client. Never tell them it's from this particular website, but just give it in kind of a PDF format, or you can create a PPT kind of format and put it on SlideShare and send it across, right? You can do that. That's pretty cool, right? So once you do that, guys, definitely I think the client would, it'll serve as a wow factor to your client, pretty much, right? So they'll be very much impressed, okay? So they will talk about, oh, you gave me a lot of what you call as insights for my website. I appreciate it. That's what they're going to say. And if people are not going to say that, then maybe you are stuck up with the wrong client, okay? Anyways, so now you understood about how page speed insights typically works. To actually go ahead and you can always check it for mobile and desktop. So there are different kinds of variations here. One is for the mobile and one is for the desktop. If the redirected URL is redirected to some other place, you'll be able to find that out here too. Okay, so that's pretty cool, guys. This is the most amazing stuff that has ever happened to a website. Like figuring out how fast the website would load and why it is not loading fast and how to make it load faster. Believe it or not, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, signing off from this wonderful, incredible, amazing video. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan here. Digital marketing domination reinvented. Hashtag generator tool, believe it or not, can give you a lot of hashtags based on an image. This is image to hashtag converter for the first time in the world. So I click on upload an image. Okay, so I gotta figure out, oh my god, this is amazing. So I gotta click on this or this. Oh my god, I'm getting confused because there are so many things here. So I gotta click on create videos. That's a folder, right? So I gotta figure out where are the images now gone. Okay, so there I got one image. I got this image. So again, I put that image here. Let me show you that image, right? So you can get an idea of what is that image I'm talking about. Totally confusing. No, it isn't. Okay, it isn't. This image is totally confusing because it had a lot of code here. Okay, this guy and the books, and this guy has a lot of code written. So now I click on upload and generate hashtags for the first time in the world. Oh my god, I think I got stuck up with that. So let me try it out with a different image because I converted that image from some file. Okay, so let me try it out with this money image. It says man.jpg, because if you convert an image from PNG to JPEG, it might not work sometimes. Let me try with this. Let me try with this. Whether it's working or not. Let me try. There you go. There you go. There you go. There it is. I got it. You saw that, guys? The image was about wealth and money, and there you have it. Wealth, money, currency. Man, people, adult, dollar, one portrait. Oh my god, this is amazing. You can copy the selected hashtags and you can use it wherever you want. Okay, suppose you don't find what you're looking for, type in your own keyword and generate. That's pretty good. So now we understood this image got a lot of hashtags, can get a lot of hashtags which are this. Suppose if you're not getting whatever you found, like the previous image, whatever you got, right? Man code books. Okay, just type books and then click on generate hashtags. Okay, so it will generate a lot of hashtags based on books. So I gotta click on the generate. I think I have to refresh this. Hold on. Refresh it, and then I can just go ahead and I can generate the hashtags. Okay, so suppose that particular one did work, I can definitely go ahead. Here there are lots of tools here. Also, so Instagram hashtag generator is what we are actually looked at right now. Okay, they also have YouTube money calculator. They have Instagram follower growth tracker, not hacker, by the way. Okay, then we have free Instagram font generator, free business name generator, Instagram post optimizer, Facebook ad mockup generator, online course earnings calculator. Okay, Jiffy money calculator. A lot of things are there. Okay, so this is a file. So suppose you didn't find it, so you gotta type that and find it out. No problems, no worries. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video, which is quite short in the digital marketing domination part, but I think you could definitely get a lot of free tools through this, right? So you can try all that across. You can also try the Twitch sub count checker. You can do that. You can try the Instagram stories analytics. Okay, you can do that, and then you can try whatever you want from here. Instagram post optimizer, Instagram post planner, okay, online course earnings calculator, whatever it is, you can try that across. This marketing legend, Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, signing off from this video. See you in another video. Hi all, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan once again back in this mind-blowing, domination for digital marketing tutorial course. Okay, so you might have watched the video till now. All the different parts have been pretty much amazing, right? Yeah, there it is. So we are here in answerthepublic.com. So what is Answer the Public is? Very easy, guys. You will discover what people are asking for. Okay, so you'll be able to get instant raw search insights directly from the minds of the customers. There are 3 billion Google searches happening every day, right? So on 20% of those have never been seen before. They're just like a direct line to your customer's thoughts. Oh my goodness, for sometimes whatever it is, so you can discover an untapped gold mine of content ideas. And it happens only sometimes. And those sometimes I'm talking about only happens in answerthepublic.com, right? It listens into autocomplete data from search engines like Google and quickly cranks them out. Every, say useful phrase and question people are asking around your keyword, just like this, it can definitely be able to give the complete questions that people are asking about for that particular topic that you input, right? So it's pretty good. So Google searches are the most important data source ever collected in the human psyche. So this is pretty amazing, guys, with your content. And search listening tool is easy to grow your business, right? So you meet your customers exactly where they are. You uncover hidden treasures like a pirate. You discover unexpected insights and hidden niches that boost organic search and give your campaigns a winning edge. It's going to be a winning edge, right? So you're standing in the front of a mountain and you are looking at the mountain and say, will I climb this mountain? Yes, you will. You will climb that mountain. You will do all the hard work, right? And you will stand at the forefront at the top of the mountain. And you're going to be there and see the entire world. So how do you do that? Very easy. Just type in digital marketing. Whatever you want, you type in, and then you type in the particular country that you wanted. So I type in India, and English is fine. Now I click on search. Okay, this is the amazing stuff. There you see it. There you see it. Results for digital marketing. Questions. Look at this. Oh my God, I'm not able to see anything. But now, if you do the data one, you can. So there are kind of questions. Right, you'll get a lot of ideas. This is complete for ideation process for digital marketing. So are digital marketing jobs in demand? Or digital marketing courses worth it? Or digital marketing agency profitable? Or digital marketing certifications worth it? Or whatever, right? So is digital marketing a good career? So then questions. Can digital marketing be done from home? Can digital marketing make you rich? Can digital marketing be automated? Yes, it can. Can it replace traditional marketing? Can it make you a millionaire? Okay, so all this stuff. So how kind of questions? How digital marketing works for that matter. How digital marketing helps for that matter. How digital marketing is added value to your business for that matter. For the matter is not there. I'm adding that for that matter. Okay, so what kind of questions? When kind of questions? Where kind of questions? Which kind of questions? Okay, who kind of questions? Why kind of questions? What kind of questions? This is the image that you're talking about. So you'll also get a kind of an image, but you can take a screenshot of this if you want. Okay, it's pretty good. So 56 prepositions found for digital marketing. What are those? Data. I want the data, not a kind of a mind map, but this is amazing circle map for the better. I'm a huge fan of AnswerThePublic.com, by the way. Okay, can comes in between. For comes in between. So digital marketing for dummies. Okay, we're not dummies anymore. We are on Pandora. By the way, this is not Avatar movie playing anyways. Digital marketing for beginners, digital marketing for businesses, digital marketing for real estate, digital marketing for small businesses, digital marketing for startups. Oh, that's pretty cool. Ease, digital marketing is similar to, is also known as whatever, right? So near, digital marketing near me. Oh my God, I'm not able to see digital marketing. Anyways, it's near me. Digital marketing to earn money. Oh my God, there you go. Lots and loads of cash on the table. Digital marketing to earn money, right? Digital marketing to generate leads. Lead it to the fullest potential. That kind of leads, those kind of amazing, spellbinding, incredible leads. Oh my goodness gracious me, that is digital marketing. By the way, Answer the Public will solve all your problems in terms of ideation process. Okay. Digital marketing increase sales. There you go. What? First sale. There you go. What? Second sale. There you go. There is sticking. Oh my God. This is a sale counter. No, it's a note counter. Anyways. Digital marketing with Google. Digital marketing with placement. But I don't want a job anymore. Because, you know it. I don't like jobs. But I like pretty much amazing tools like this. Anyways. Without digital marketing, without investment, digital marketing without degree, digital marketing without a website, digital marketing without social media, digital marketing without cookies. Oh my God, that's amazing. Cookies. I like the Ratchet Troll films. Digital marketing, 39 comparisons. So it also provides comparison, guys. So like and like or versus. Digital marketing was a traditional marketing and all this stuff, vice versa. 208 alphabeticals in digital marketing. Oh my goodness gracious me. This is amazing. This is a whole load of ideas for you to skyrocket your research for a year. Oh my God. This is amazing. Here we go. Digital marketing related ones that you would like to do. So not only for digital marketing, guys. Okay, if you go a little back, okay, I'm not talking about a time machine back. Anyways, here. So if you're inputting any kind of other kind of keywords also like artificial intelligence, it's going to give in a lot of research data. I hope you understood what we are talking about, right? So typically you just have to give a kind of a keyword and it's going to give you a lot of ideation processes. What is this ideation process I'm talking about? These kind of processes are also called as queries, right? So these are queries actually searched by people on Google, believe it or not, on different search engines, right? So even related queries or whatever it is. So then you can even download it. So if you go a little up, you have data, okay? So you can just copy it off like this. Okay, you can copy that for your research purposes. It's pretty amazing. And you have a download CSV button here. That's also pretty cool. Oh my God, they have a download CSV button. That's going to save a lot of time. You know, for me to download all this one by one, it's going to take a lot of time. Now download CSV will save me a lot of time. Oh my goodness gracious me, that's pretty cool. So now we understood about AnswerThePublic.com, right? Next, we have a bonus tool in this video. So we're getting a lot of bonuses here, right? So that's called as amiinstitute.com, A-M-I, or aminstitute.com. Sorry if I spelled that wrong. It's aminstitute.com/headline. Okay. So Advanced Marketing Institute provides you headline analyzer. So all you got to do is type in a headline. The future of digital marketing with artificial intelligence. Okay, so now click on submit for analysis. So what's it going to do? What's it going to do? It's going to give you a score for that headline. Apart from that score, it's going to give you the EMV. EMV is an emotional marketing value, believe it or not. Okay, so there you go. 37.5% EMV is your emotional marketing value. To put that in perspective, the English language contains approximately 20% EMV words. Okay, for comparison, most professional copywriters' headlines will typically have 30% to 40% EMV words in the headlines, while the overall EMV score for your headline is 37.50%. Your headline has a predominant emotion classification, right? Empathetic. Oh my God, that's empathetic appeal. Okay, pretty amazing, right? So empathy and sympathy, you know the differences. I think if you don't, you just Google it. Okay, it's pretty amazing. Profound and strong, positive, emotional reaction. You share, you connect with people. You connect with the people on an emotional basis using this headline. Okay, so I hope you understood about this amazing headline analysis. You can do your own headline analysis here. All you gotta do is aminstitute.com/headline. You'll be able to do a complete analysis here of EMV, which is an emotional marketing value, before you ever write a blog article or before you ever put an idea for a YouTube video that you have. Use this. This is my greatest advice to a greatest fan like you. Okay, so please do that. So now let's quickly recap. Answer the public, which we looked at that. Okay, pretty amazing. Discovering what people are asking about. And then we have headline analyzer, which is emotionally connecting you on a greatest level that nobody has ever seen. Okay, so 2 of these amazing tools. You gotta try it out today. It's completely amazingly free. You can try it out. It's pretty cool, right? So it's pretty amazing. Bye-bye, guys. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, signing off from this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Now I'm going to have my coffee. Hi there, this is digital marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, and we are here in pretty amazing stuff here. We are here in tweetdeck.twitter.com. This video is regarding what you call as using Tweetdeck. So once I click on tweet, okay, so I'm gonna hide this so I can go here and I can hide this if I wanted. So this is Tweetdeck, so this will help me to actually go ahead and just zoom in to show you how this works. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's too much of zoom in the fact. Okay, so here you can tweet. Okay, and Tweetdeck will help you to schedule the tweets, direct message, and add images or video. It's pretty amazing, guys. Okay, so if I zoom out, you'll understand here that it's pretty amazing for you to actually maintain a lot of things here in Tweetdeck. Okay, so you can compose, you can search for tweets, you can do that. So it's like all in one, a great platform for you to actually get that rolling in some action here. So it's pretty amazing. Tweetdeck, you can add columns. So columns can be added according to home or user or notifications or search or list or collection or trending stuff or likes or messages or mentions or followers, and you can even add the column. This is already added, so it's not showing up. Pretty amazing. Now I understood, right? So this is like a deck for you, like a library of tweets, okay, that you can go ahead. It's completely free. You can use it. It's amazing, and it's like a library of tweets. You can just go ahead and sort it according. These tweets are like books for you, or whatever it is. So it's similar to that. So you can sort them out and use it. Tweetdeck, pretty amazing. The tool of the day is going to be for A/B test. A/B testing is called multivariate multivariate testing. So what is multivariate kind of testing is? Very easy, guys. So this is like doing a combination. Whenever you do your advertising, or maybe you're doing your landing page creation, right? So you'll try different ways, right? Am I right? So you'll be able to try different versions of ads, or different variations, different kinds of permutations, combinations, right? So this is called A/B testing. Now, for example, if the existing conversion rate is say 20%, right? So the improvement you would need in the conversion rate is say 22%, okay? So you got to try out a lot of variations and combinations. Maybe you try out 3 variations, and the average number of visitors is say 400, and the percentage of visitors to be included in the test is 100%. Then you calculate the test duration. The total number of days to run the test will take 10 days. This is pretty amazing, guys. So this is like A/B testing to the fullest potential. You'll be able to calculate how long should you run your A/B test. Okay, so there is a specific time period that would be really good for you to take a decision once you run your A/B test, right? So that how long should matter the most, right? You can't keep on running A/B tests for a long time, always, permanently, forever. No, you cannot. You need to do it according to a specific duration, specific time, and figure out what kind of conversions, what kind of improvement that you're getting there, and then go ahead and use that as a variable kind of thing to skyrocket your reach by, implement it again and again, repeating the same process again, and again. That's how A/B test is going to work. There's a duration calculator here. That's a bonus tool for you. Okay. And here we have vicinitas.io, vicinitas.io. So what does this do is you can directly go ahead and export, okay? You'll be able to export what? Hashtag, keywords, user tweets, user followers, all in one go, guys. Okay, all you need is a Twitter account, and then you give a hashtag, and then you export all the hashtag, keywords, and accounts on Twitter. It's pretty easy. It's a legal tool to do that. You can gain insight from a vast collection of posts, what is working in terms of user engagement and sentiment. Then you can understand if you're able to, export the tweets of your competitor or a hashtag of a particular trending niche, right? Like AI or booming AI or AI rocks, or say digital marketing with AI, or say machine learning or deep learning or blockchain or whatever it is. You'll be understand which kind of technology works where. Know your audience. You'll be able to identify the most influential users related to your content as well as their interests. Then you can definitely go ahead and discover what is trending, right? All my AIDM students will go mind blown seeing this, right? Discover what's trending, right? And it's pretty amazing. So you can do that. Give a hashtag and you can do that. Then we have an unfollow Twitter tool, which is called iunfollow.com. It really attracted me. I want to tell you guys. So here you can discover and unfollow Twitter followers who are not following you back. That's all. So this is kind of amazing stuff. Okay. So I remember a joke. Okay. For example, I want to tell you is once I was taking a class, in my office training room, and there was a client who was really, kind of, kind of a little angry on my tools part. Why are you just explaining tools? He told me, right? Why just explaining tools? Okay. Okay. So what are the great ways to go viral on Twitter, right? There are lots of. He says that. He said that. I have a lot of followers, right? But still, I'm not getting that engagement. Okay, now I'll tell you. I asked him, how many people are you following? And he said 2,000 people he's following. Now, how many followers you have? He said 500 people. Okay, now what happens is, I'll tell you guys. So the joke, what is a joke? There is no joke here. I'm able to tell you that there is no particular joke at all here. It's the joke that you play on yourself. So you just cannot follow people just with an intention that they're going to follow you back. That is completely not the way to do marketing, right? But you can unfollow people who are not following you back. How is that? This is the joke of the year. Okay, it's called iunfollow.com. Yeah, check it out, guys. It's amazing. Trusted by 320. That's how much? 320,000? I think so. Forgot the math overall. Who have performed over? Oh my god, that's 100 followed by 3 zeros and another 3 zeros. Oh my god, that many unfollows till 2011. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. Get more followers. Don't worry, I didn't print out the number. Anyways, I failed to attend the math class and I bunked the math class while I was in school. Don't worry about that. So get more followers with fan tracking. You can do that too. You can track your fans. Follow people that you don't follow back. Amazing, right? So unfollow non-followers. Unfollow people who don't follow you back. Pretty amazing. Follow requests. Cancel your follow requests to protected accounts. Okay, so don't worry, my account is protected, by the way. Okay, so use this iunfollow.com. Pretty amazing. Then we have tweettimer.com. It's pretty cool, guys. Okay, I'm a huge fan of all these tools out there. Here, all these tools. Okay, Tweettimer is amazing, guys. So okay, cut the jokes apart. So what you can do here is you can go ahead and upload a CSV, okay? Kind of a CSV. I'll show you where it is. Here it is. This is the ultimate feature that nobody has ever thought of in the world. You bulk upload your post via a CSV file. Completely unique tweets. Advanced users can also add images to their CSV file, which is pretty amazing. Then you set the timetables and automatically it tweets. It starts tweeting for you every hour or every 2 hours or every 3 hours. It starts tweeting for you through the CSV file, whatever your tweets are, right? In the A column, you have it. And then B column, you have this. And C column, you have this. And D column, you have this. So B column, I think, is a tweet, right? The C column is, I think, the schedule time. And the G column D column is the time, this is the date, I think. Okay, anyways, so pretty amazing, right? These are the different accounts, I think. Twitter account 1, Twitter account 2, whatever it is. Facebook account 1, Facebook account 2, whatever it is. So LinkedIn account 1, LinkedIn account 2. So you can set up timetable both with Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. Pretty amazing, guys. Set up timetables, content section with RSS feeds for the matter. Pretty amazing. So even if you don't have content, you can add RSS feeds from your favorite sites and easily repost the latest content to your followers. Okay, how's that? That was a wrap for you, if it is considered one. Okay, so Tweettimer, and then we have, this is the most amazing tool that you get. I unfollow, and then vicinitas.io is pretty amazing. Never forget vwo.com/tools/ab-test-duration-calculator. Never ever forget the link. Then we have a Tweetdeck. You know what? It's kind of a deck for you. It doesn't play music, but definitely you can go ahead and do all the Twitter stuff there in the deck. Okay, pretty amazing. Amazing to the core. I love these tools. I'm a huge fan of these tools. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, signing off from this incredible, mind-blowing, amazing, wonderful video. Okay, see you soon in another part. The next part's coming up. Bye-bye. Hi there, this is digital marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. And today we are here in an ultimate super fast color scheme generation. You know that, right? So this is typically, say digital marketing domination part 11, and you will love it. In fact, right? You'll be able to create the perfect color palette for your business and get inspired by creating thousands of beautiful color schemes. Okay, so if you're a web designer, you know it, right? So how much it takes a lot of time, how much time it would actually take to create a beautiful, striking, and wonderful website out there, right? It takes a hell lot of time, and people just gaze on a particular website for a very limited amount of time, guys. So you have to capture the attention of that particular website visitor, and in order to do that, you can only play around with the design, and in order for the design to work good, you gotta play around with the color schemes. Okay, so here we have in coolors.co, you'll be able to generate the super fast, ultra fast color scheme. Okay, so how do you do that? for website, for iOS app, for Adobe extensions, for Chrome extension, for Instagram, anywhere, you know, or even Facebook or Twitter. Color schemes are pretty much important, be it a social media post, be it whatever you call it, a website, or be it an app. Everywhere color scheme is important. So now click on start the generator. Okay, so once you do that, coolors, okay, .co, and then it comes over here. Okay, coolors.co, whatever you call it. It's pretty amazing. So this is the color schemes. Okay, guys. So here we have the color schemes generated. Okay, so if you want to generate more color schemes, you just have to press the space bar. Always remember, for coolors or coolors.co website, you gotta, you know, go ahead and what do you call as press the space bar. Okay. Okay. Once you press the space bar, what's gonna happen is a lot of colors are gonna show up. Okay. Pretty amazing, right? Oh my God, it's like amazing. It's like watching a TV with millions of colors out there. Anyways, so now you have this. You can view the shades here. Okay, pretty good, right? So then you can even drag this and put it over here. Okay, and then you can save the color to favorites if you want. And then you can copy the hex code of this. This is the hex code that you got to input in your particular website design. If you're a web designer, or if you are an artist, or if you're someone who uses colors for even videos or a green screen or whatever it is, chroma key, you can, you know that, right? You got to copy the hex code out there. Then you have a toggle lock here. No need to worry about that. Okay, so toggle lock will lock the color. Okay, so that you can't move it across, by the way. You don't need that, by the way. Okay, anyways, if you need that, you can use it. And then you have a plus scheme that that's amazing here, because once you have the plus ones, right, you can keep on adding the colors. Okay, so it will tally with the right colors that would match. Believe it or not, see here, guys. So here, if I press this, I think that's about the colors scheme. So you got to use only, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 color schemes in a particular project of yours to make it unique. Now, if you want to remove this, or if I want to remove certain colors out there, and if I want to concentrate on this color, a more lighter shade of that particular color in colors or coolors, you got to just press that, you know, addition button, that add button, the plus sign out there, and then you can get the colors. Okay, so this color is set out chest. This is copper red, camel, dark sea green, and different other colors out there, difficult to spell. Asparagus, or whatever it is, laurel green, or whatever. Dark Byzantium. What a color of the year that is. Okay, so guys, now we understood about that. Right here, you can adjust the palette by clicking on the adjust option. You can definitely go ahead and adjust the hue. You can adjust the saturation, play around with it. It's pretty amazing. The saturation of the color. You can adjust the brightness of the color. Oh my God, the brightness is overwhelming. The temperature of the colors or whatever it is, and then click apply. Then we have create a collage based on this. You can do that. Color brightness, that's also there. And then view the color is there and save the color is there or whatever it is. Pretty good. Okay, so now I hope you understood about the coolors and the colors part of it. So now I click on coolors once again. .co, colors.co. Okay, so here, guys, if you go a little down, you have something called as trending color palettes. Okay, so where is that trending color palettes? Oh my God, I missed it, but it's here. Anyways, coolors.co/palette/trending. Okay, these are the trending color palettes. Okay, get inspired by thousands of beautiful color schemes and make something great, something new, something amazing out there. Okay, so these are the trending ones. So if you use these colors in your design, you're going to be marvelous. I mean, your design is absolutely going to be marvelous, by the way. So it's pretty amazing, guys. Even if you have an iOS app here, we can generate and collect a beautiful color palettes on the go. Believe it or not. And there are lots of colors here. Lots. Oh my God. This is insane stuff. And it's keeping on loading more colors. Oh my God. This is insane, exciting stuff, right? Anyways, if you want to search a color, say red. Okay, and give yes. So what are the trending red colors out there? There you got it. The trending red colors. Suppose you want to find out the latest green colors. Okay, so click on green. Okay, now these are the trending latest green colors with the hex codes. Oh my god, this is insanely addictive. So I type in blue or yellow, yellow colors. Okay, why did I think? Yeah, I should remove these, by the way. Okay, yeah, there you have it. On the lights are yellow. Okay, I mean the colors are yellow. Okay, come up and meet you. You gotta tell me that coolers at is yellow. It's amazing, guys. It's pretty amazing. It's pretty cool in terms of whether you can choose an amazing color out there, and then you can go ahead and choose a popular colors too. It's also pretty cool out there. So yes, now we looked at coolers.co. How it generates a color by palette/popular, whatever it is here. You can put that link across, and then you can look for the color palettes, by the way. Okay, so don't mind me singing songs, right? Because typically I want to keep my sessions entertaining, at the same time educative. Okay, so we have here coolers.co/image-picker. Okay, what is that? So typically what it does is you browse for an image, okay? Based on an image, it'll create a beautiful palette from your photo. Okay, so typically you can even search for the image. So I want to search for sky. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, which sky to choose? All the sky, images, photos are beautiful. So I'll choose this. Oh my god, there's so many colors in that. Unbelievable. I've chosen something, but still it picks the colors, right? If I want to browse one with a single color, so I want to browse one with a single color, I just put in green. Okay, green tree or something. I got this. Now just look at this. There's a single color coming up, and I think a black is there, green and black. Let's see what it shows up. There you go. This is the dark green part, and this is the black part, or whatever it is, and this is the green part. You can adjust it accordingly. Can you believe this? This is insane stuff. Oh my god, you can adjust that. Oh my god, this is a tool of the year. The tool I was searching for all the 10 years. Okay? People will struggle without using this tool. It's the most gorgeous, amazing ones. And guys, you can just change this. Believe it or not, you can change the palettes here. My god, and then you can click on export, open the generator and generate more stuff, or view the palette, or save the palette, or create a collage. Oh my god, if you want to create a collage based on this, which I didn't show you, you can. You just can create a collage with these colors. Believe it or not. Now, how will this be helpful if you ask me? For the design sake? For the design sake? Really? For the design sake? Oh my god, look at the kind of collages that are there here. The aspect that are there here. Okay, this for Pinterest, I think, that big one. Okay, the long one out there, right? Not the big one, by the way. The palettes. Oh my god, the palettes. Oh, this is insane stuff, yeah. This is insane stuff. Okay, so now we understood, guys, how to create a collage. You can even make a gradient palette. So by clicking on the gradient palette stuff, okay? So you can create a gradient palette between two colors, believe it or not. So you just have to put the color ID and then color ID, whatever we got there, right? So typically, if I put in some IDs here, E63946, let me put that here across. E6, what is that? Okay, I keep forgetting. What was that? E63946. That's going to be E63946. Did I put it right? Whatever. In color, let it be this. And the number, you can add more color palettes and then create a gradient if you want just two color mixtures out there. Just keep 2 if you want 3, if you want 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Up to 20 you can do. 22. Oh my god, it's exceeding that. This is unbelievable to make a gradient. Okay, then click on random. It gives a random color. All the work that you had to do it manually, you don't have to do it anymore. And then you can just add this. Up to 30, I think, not up to 20. But this is the gradient of the year. I saw one of the coolest colors out there, which was in the previous stuff. I don't know which was it, but it was exciting. So I will only stop when I see the most coolest color according to me. Okay, so that was not cool, that one was cool, that was not cool, that was not cool. Okay, sing along with me. All with the colors of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Ooh, I, ooh, I, ooh. Oh, I just saw a cool color and I just paused it. Okay, so let me look at. Oh, this is cool. No, this was. Yeah, this is cool. Anyways, looks cool. By the way. Okay, so this color needs to be a little tweaked, and then form the gradient. Okay, this looks like a different cool color. If you didn't like it, just keep the random. Okay. So, anyways, now this color is so cool. So what you can do is these are example palettes, by the way. Anyway, so you can do that. So random, and then you can export it across to open in the generator, or even make a CSS gradient. By the way, you can make a CSS gradient, which is pretty cool. So this is a gradient maker, and you can copy the CSS code or view it in full screen, or open in the generator, or copy the URL of this. My God, and even you can rotate this. Oh my goodness gracious me, what is happening here? You can rotate the color. Oh my God, there's so much to do with colors. Colors. Your life will become full of colors today. Oh my God, the position is amazing, right? So you look at the position. Marketing Legends also have to look at the position. Now, I'll click on 70% of the opacity. Oh my God, this is insane stuff. Browse gradients. Oh my God, we have so much to learn about colors in this world, right? So, gradient maker. Oh my goodness. Download as image. You can download this as image. Oh my God. Okay, fine. So now we go here. This is the color stuff done. Next is you can explore the gradients. I already told you about, right? So different gradient samples are created. You can definitely go ahead and do that. These are training palettes. Just generate your palettes. It's all in the footer, guys. So don't worry. It's all in the footer, okay? Now we are going to the contrast checker part, okay? Okay, the contrast checker part, okay? Never ever mind about you. The contrast checking part. Never ever mind the things I say about you. Okay, anyways, color contrast checker. Calculate the contrast ratio of text and background colors. Don't worry, I just make songs up. I don't make it, I didn't see a song, video, or listen to a song and make stuff up. Anyways, calculate the contrast ratio of text and background colors. Okay. These are the text colors out there. So I can give a text color, and the contrast is this. So I can give a background color. The contrast is this. So guys, here you can make it good, right, light, right. The contrast is a good contrast for all text sizes. So if you want to enhance this, okay, if you want to enhance it to the fullest potential. You want to do that? Click to enhance. Adjust the text color. There you go. The contrast is overwhelming, right? If you want to enhance the background color, okay, there it is. Apply to both colors. There it is, 10.404. Now, if you want to change the background color a little bit, and if I want to enhance this, enhance both the colors, or just enhance the text color. There you see it. It is definitely enhanced, guys. If you want, you can see it here. Pretty amazing. When I was a boy, I was told that anybody could become the president. Now I'm beginning to believe it. Says Clarence Darrow. And look at the text, guys. The text is insane amount of clarity that is here in the text. Okay. If you need to be a good website designer or an artificial intelligence website designer, I would like you to explore coolors or colors or whatever you call it, .co. Okay, COOLORS.co. Coolers.co. Okay. Maybe I pronounced it as colors in the beginning. I don't remember it. Okay, but anyways, this is, forget the pronunciation, right? Look at the creation. That is what I'm able to tell you, okay? This is Marketing Legend. So also explore the iOS app, okay? You can do that and generate a hell lot of palettes, explore a lot of colors, and make palettes that can drive your audience crazy, okay? Adobe extensions are also there. Chrome extensions are also there. Instagram, I think you can use, the posts that you create on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or Tumblr, right? Or, say Mix, they call it, right? Or you can use it on Quora also. You can design good, images, graphic designs, and then put it on Quora too. If you want to do it for only your website, you can go ahead and do it. In Mobirise also, I think I'll be using Mobirise, bookmark.com, or Weebly or Wix. On WordPress, you can use a lot of colors. Squarespace, you can use that. The palette hex codes, remember, you can use them on those websites to the fullest potential. It's amazing to the core. Okay, now I'll tell you, this is Marketing Legend, Srinidhi Ranganathan, signing off from the See you in the next video. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, and today we're looking at the ultimate, what do you call as the YouTube tag generator. Okay, so this is ultimate, guys. So welcome to part 12 of digital marketing domination, and we are here in YouTube tag generator. How do you, take your YouTube marketing to the next level with YouTube tag generation? Right, so if you guys are my YouTube marketing students and you love YouTube to the fullest potential, you will like what I'm doing. Okay, so very easy, guys. There are different tools here in ytubetool.com. Once you head over there, you got to know about what is a YouTube tag generator. Okay, it's very easy, guys. Okay, so all you got to do is enter a YouTube video URL here. Enter a YouTube video URL. Okay, for example, if I head over here and type in anything, so I can type whatever I want. So I'll type in any YouTube URL I can. Okay, hold on. Domination, Srinidhi, whatever, so that I can look at what YouTube URL I can pick. So I can just copy the link address and head over here and paste the YouTube URL. You can paste any YouTube URL. Okay. Once you do that, click on find the tags and click on I'm not a robot. Definitely, we are not robots. Okay. And definitely, once you do that, you can see a list of tags. What are the tags used for the particular video? Okay, so this is amazing, guys. So you can copy these and get a lot of tag ideas and use them for your own videos. That's the ultimate part of it. Okay, that is really amazing because YouTube video URL, once you put, you can find the tags. Okay, so we also have YouTube title and description generator. So once you enter the YouTube URL here, okay, and click on find the title and description, you'll be able to actually extract what do you call as the title and description, believe it or not. Okay, so this is the title of the video, this is a description of the video. You'll be able to copy this description, make some changes and upload it to your YouTube video if your YouTube video is directly relevant to the video which is here, which you're placing. Typically, if your video is about digital marketing, then it makes sense, otherwise it doesn't. So we also have YouTube thumbnails, right? So thumbnail, what do you call as a thumbnail generation. So all you have to do is paste the YouTube URL, find the thumbnails. I'm not a robot, we are not robots for that matter, and definitely this is going to show the list of thumbnails here. This is actual thumbnail, right? 1280 to 720, different resolutions is going to show the thumbnail. And then once you do that, click on download. You can download the thumbnail. It will extract thumbnails from a YouTube video, guys. Okay, just enter or paste the YouTube URL and tool like ytubetool.com. That's the rest. Okay, so what it does is they list all the thumbnails used in the YouTube videos so that you can optimize your thumbnails to improve the position for your videos. Okay, in SEO, both of YouTube, by picking the right thumbnails that you want to do, right? But also in Google and other search engines, this tool will find and analyze the thumbnails used by other YouTubers and improve the ones you use. It's pretty amazing, guys. So this is pretty much cool because it can attract a lot of traffic, right? Because thumbnails matter the most. Okay, so for example, you look at this thumbnail. So this is amazing, right? So different kinds of thumbnails that you see here. So the thumbnails should look striking. Okay, striking thumbnails, then only it makes sense in a particular YouTube video, right? So everybody clicks based on the thumbnail itself, guys. Don't forget, based on the thumbnail only they are clicking, and that matters the most. Next we have what you call as betterway2web.com/tag hyphen generator for hyphen YouTube. Okay, Better Way to Web tag generator for YouTube is the best to check even your competitors' YouTube tags, because recently YouTube might have hidden these tags, right? So here you can check your competitors' tags. So for example, I pick any video here. So I pick maybe this full digital marketing course, 50 courses in one, and my video I pick here. So I go here and not this. Here I paste the URL and I click on find tags. Okay, so once I do that, let's wait for some time. It's going to take some time by the time it gives me the tags. Okay, sometimes even if the full YouTube video tags are being displayed, there it is. Course digital marketing full complete course, full digital marketing course. These are the tags, guys. Okay, sometimes it displays all the tags, and definitely it has to display all the tags, so it doesn't matter. So here we have the tags. for that particular URL. So if you want keyword, suppose I'm looking at, you know, say to get tags for a specific, you know, say keywords. If I want ideas for the keyword, so I click this, and there you go. There we have it. There are different tags again here. Okay, this is different from the one that we saw. Okay, so you can even get, for example, if you're doing on Internet of Things. Okay, if you're doing a video on Internet of Things, find tags. You can what you can do is hold on. I think I have to refresh, or no tags were found, so I can refresh this. Sometimes you gotta refresh it and then type in, okay, marketing business. Okay, let me just type that in. This request may take up to 15 seconds. So let's wait for it. What it happens. Okay, again, no tags were found from marketing business. Suppose if the keyword stuff you're not able to find, no problem, guys. You can directly type in the keyword here. Okay, directly typing the keyword here. Suppose if the keyword is something, you can type that in. Okay, and if you're looking at certain you know, say things, you can just copy that and go here and paste the URL itself. Sometimes the keyword was working. I don't know why it's not working now, but maybe sometimes it's not working. So better way to web, I don't know why it's right now it's not working, but definitely it should work. Otherwise you can do one thing. You can head over here. Hold on, go back. So you can head over to tagsyoutube.com. See, better way to web is, I'm one of the huge fans of better way to web. Sometimes when it doesn't work, you got to input the keyword or URL, or you can try it out with that. If it doesn't work, go to tagsyoutube.com. Here you paste the keywords marketing business. Okay, and then click on get keywords. Now it should work. There you see it's working here. Tagsyoutube.com. Here it's working. You saw that, guys? All the related keywords are showing up, lots of videos are showing up, or whatever. Okay, so now you pasted Internet of Things. Okay, it's tagsyoutube.com. You can look at different tools out there. If one is not working at the point of time, use the other one. Okay, okay, here it is. You saw that, guys? Everything is here. Pretty good, no? Okay, very easy this is. You can, if you want to select all, it'll come here. Then you can copy all the 31 tags, and there it's finalized. These are the tags, and then you can use them in your YouTube video. Very easy, right? Tagsyoutube.com is going to create a huge difference and bring you to the top and viral your video to the fullest potential. Okay, then we also have Tube. It's Tub East. Okay, it's Tub East. Okay, or Tube East. Tube AST, or whatever you call it. Okay, .com/YouTube tags generator. Okay, so it's pretty amazing. It's a video optimization tools that can you know, generate video tags and teaches YouTubers worldwide how to tag their YouTube videos in the right and optimized way. So properly tagging your videos is the easiest way to rank videos on YouTube. You know that, we know that, everybody knows that. So you'll never wonder how to get more views on YouTube ever again for the fullest potential or the fullest matter. So all you got to do here, also you can type the video idea. So I have a video idea, robots work, and then I click on generate video tags, and let's see what happens. There you saw that. This is amazing. Tub East or Tube AST is giving you all the words that are related to this. This is insane stuff. Insane. Okay. So whatever tags you want, you can copy the tags and use it in the video. So I have one more, this one. So it's called as the future of the world. So I'll tap in future world and click on generate video tags. Okay, there you saw the, guys. What are the future of the world? It's going to show you economist videos. We have economist. You have technology. We have space traveling. We have drones. We have renewable energy. SpaceX is there. Fossil fuels. Oh my God. Robots delivering futuristic cities, futuristic technologies, urban city, gamma ray. Oh my God. Futuristic technologies is here. Automation is here. Whatever you want. So you can also get a lot of ideas on that particular matter, right? So whatever you type in. So suppose I type in time machine. Okay. So and I click on generate video tags. You'll get a lot of ideas. Time travel, science. You'll get some ideas which are related to that particular niche or category. Believe it or not, it's pretty amazing out there. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, we found a golden retriever in the time machine. Oh my goodness gracious me. Okay, so very easy, guys. So now I hope you understood about how to go ahead and generate the what do you call the thumbnails, or generate the tags or the title and descriptions for this YouTube videos. Okay, tool.com/tool/YouTube hyphen generator. That is one tool which I want to do a quick recap on there. And here you can choose whatever resolution that you want, but I advise you to choose the highest resolution, because if you lower the resolution, YouTube might not take the thumbnail. So once you have the thumbnail ready, you can go to Canva or whatever site and then upload the thumbnail and make changes on the thumbnail. Okay, so if it is JPEG or PNG, you can still make changes. I'll tell you how, guys. So suppose you have this 1280 into 720p what do you call as image, right? So on the top of the image itself, you can put you can change the picture and put it on the top of the image, right? And you can change the text and put it on the top of the image. Okay, if the thumbnail is making so much sense, you can do that. Okay, if it is going viral, you can do that, right? So on the top of the image, and make it a new design, remix the design, change the colors if you want by putting a rectangle or a shape or whatever it is. Or if you want to create a new alternate thumbnail based on this, you can take a printout of this, or you can keep it in front of another laptop, and work on that particular laptop. You'll have two laptops. One, you see the thumbnail and work on the thumbnail, because thumbnails have the potential to go viral. You know that, right? So viral thumbnails you can pick based on your own and your own abilities for that matter. Okay. Then we looked at betterway2web.com/tag-generator-for-YouTube. This will help you to generate tags for YouTube. You knew that, right? So next we have as tagsyoutube.com, which will help you to generate video tags generator. It is, and it's a keyword tool online to viral your video and bring on top. And these are the top tags that you can use for Internet of Things. Whatever your keyword is, paste a keyword here and then get the tags. Okay. Then we looked at TubeEast or TubEast or whatever it is, TubAST or whatever. And this will help you to generate a lot of tags and get relevant ideas in the particular niche, right? So if you're pasting a particular keyword, you get relevant ideas according to that particular keyword, or something which is in contrast to that also sometimes you may get, right? So I saw a golden retriever when I typed the time machine keyword. That's pretty cool. Okay, so these are the sites that you're looking at. Okay, so for YouTube marketing, this will help you a lot. My YouTube marketing students, you will love whatever I'm saying in YouTube marketing, because I know that you guys have a lot of passion to create videos. I know that you guys have a lot of interest to create a lot of videos to help take your video marketing to the next level. This is digital marketing legend. Okay, Srinidhi Ranganathan here. Okay, and I also have here Sharanya. She's working on kind of a few topics for my next YouTube videos in terms of all educative videos only she's working on right now. Okay, and it's pretty cool that she's going ahead and picking up the most amazing topics, incredible topics which people are going berserk about, right? And she wants to say hi here.
Hi guys.
And she is amazingly creating a lot of topics to send out, and it's really great, right? So when you have the passion to do stuff, you can go miles. This is Srinidhi Ranganathan, marketing legend, signing off from this video. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Enjoy your life to the fullest potential. Have your tea or coffee right now. Bye bye. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, and we are looking at a lot of tools for content idea generation. Okay, so we have here the first one. See, I will talk to you tools regarding non-fiction, then I'll talk to you tools regarding fiction. Okay, so both we are seeing here. The first one is questiongb.io. Okay, so this will help you to generate better blog topic ideas, guys. Okay, it's going to generate a lot of blog topic ideas. So you enter in a broad keyword, for example, like digital marketing, or say headphones, right? And or say books. Okay, to find questions that have been asked that contain it. Okay, so suppose I type in digital marketing and I give a generate here, then I'm going to get a report like this. Okay, this is like blog topics. Okay, so if we got it here, see, let's see. There are top related keywords mentioned in the questions like future, structure, sales, new, management, jump, internship, ethics, encompass, and content, right? So we have here in terms of digital marketing, we have the questions that is shown here. Does all future marketing turn to digital marketing? That is a topic. Now we got a topic. Then we have digital marketing internship after digital marketing class, right? That's a topic. Is digital marketing the future of marketing? Topic. Is digital marketing the new way of marketing? Topic. Okay. So has anyone made the jump from digital marketing management to digital marketing sales? That's a topic. Digital marketing ethics hacking. Is digital marketing reporting solved? What does digital marketing encompass? Digital marketing bonus structures. Okay, these are all topics, guys. So if I type in social media and I give new search, okay, so you will find which are related to social media, okay, stuff, virtual marketing. You'll also find the trends, right? So typically, if you want to find out the trends of this particular topic, then you can head over to Google Trends, okay. So as this is amazingly great, right, in digital marketing domination part 12, this is pretty much amazing to the fullest potential, because I have already told you, if you want to find trends, you can head over to trends.google.com and then put that particular trend in, right? I'm going to show you once again, social media platform. Then you will understand if the world is searching for that particular term and whether the interest has dipped or whether the interest is increasing, right? Remember this? This is amazing to the fullest potential, right? It's pretty amazing. Cool. So now you understand. Then you can compare it with different terms, whatever was there. So social media or, say digital marketing or whatever, you can compare that with different terms out there. So this is amazing to the fullest potential. Okay, back to square one. Okay, so the first tool we saw about that, this is amazing. Let me recap, because I'm not going to recap at the end. I'm going to recap it right now. Okay, questiongb.io, create better blog topic ideas. Then we have, I'm going to close this. We have free powerful English grammar check. Okay, Scribens. It's scribens.com/mobile.html. This will help you to check the grammar of your text and find spelling mistakes in that particular text. So suppose I type in digital marketing, okay, and I type in double D, is a great way of, carrying out your business in the right manner. For example, let me check whether it finds that marketing GG spelling wrong. Let's do that. Check. There you find it. It's found it. Okay, so marketing is a great way. Okay, that's pretty much amazing. So actions you can take, you can download this or whatever. It's a great grammar check. Even if you don't have MS Word installed, you can head over to scribens.com/mobile.html and find out the grammar check, the punctuation check, or the spelling mistakes. Definitely I check with this. This is pretty amazing. Okay. And also, for the first time in the world, you have a seamless extension of Microsoft Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, OpenOffice, or LibreOffice. And you have the extension of Scribens, which is pretty amazing. It's a powerful free English grammar checker, okay? It corrects over 250 types of common grammar and spelling mistakes, including verbs, nouns, pronouns, prepositions, homonyms, and punctuation, typography, and more. Okay, so it's amazing. It corrects 10x more mistakes than whatever tool you're using out there right now. And useful writing and style tools are there. It's pretty amazing, right? So 5 million people might have visited Scribens, and it's pretty amazing. English grammar check is pretty amazing to the core, believe it or not. Okay, now coming to the most interesting part, they call it, right? So we have here fanfic maker. We are here after fiction from non-fiction. We are up to creative worlds. Fanfic maker, fanficmaker.com. What it does, okay? So you have to click on this, and then you can choose a preset. Okay, maybe I choose a preset from Superman, or I choose a preset from Star Trek or from Spider-Man or whatever it is, right? So this is a kind of a preset, guys. So I can choose a particular preset. So I'll choose something here, guys. Which one should I choose? Okay, Star Wars. Okay, now all you gotta do is Star Wars fandom. Okay, where you want the setting of Star Wars to. Maybe Star Wars, what would have happened if it happens in a caveman era? Okay, so for the first time in the world, Star Wars in kind of a caveman era might go hand in hand. Okay, so now I'm going to put the hero name. Hero name is going to be Srinidhi, and this pipe symbol, I'll have it. Okay, Srinidhi. Hold on. Srinidhi is also called as Srinidhi. Wait. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Legend Srinidhi. Okay, now I'm going to go here and delete this. Okay, then I'm going to go here and type in legend. Okay, I'm going to keep this. What is this? The young legend. Okay, I'm going to do it. The young legend. Okay, guys. Then I go here. The marketing legend. Okay, so hero sex is male. UFIC is not required. What is the superpower? What is the superpower of me? So typically I have a superpower, right? What superpower can I give? Okay, intuition. Okay, intuition. Okay, hero's hobby: hanging out with the green dudes. Okay, hanging out with the droids. Okay, droid robots or droid robots or whatever, right? Hero's hometown is the cave. Okay, hero's homeworld is Olden Galaxy. Okay. Okay, that's pretty cool, guys. Look at the creativity I bring to this. Female sidekick. Okay, I can do whatever female sidekick I want. Let it be Leia. That's fine. Male sidekick, let it be there. Female sidekick, Little Robot, let it be there. Chewbacca, Wookiee, Last Creator, let it be there. Villain, Darth Vader, let it be there. Okay, that's fine. Villain sex is male. Okay, that's fine. Mag Griffin. What is a Mag Griffin here? You can figure out. Whatever, lightsaber, let it be there. Okay, so I think he comes in between the hero and the villain or whatever. Mag Griffin, I think it's just a side character. I think so. I don't know. What is Mag Griffin? Let me just Google it. It's a new word for me. I don't know if you're already into fiction writing. You'll know what is a Mag Griffin. It's an object, device, or event that is necessary to the plot and the motivation of the characters, but insignificant and unimportant. Okay, it's a motivation. So Mag Griffin is kind of the motivation to the characters. Okay, so lightsaber, no, it's the green emerald. Okay, so let's see whether that is a tool, that is a ultimate object we are after. Okay, pretty amazing. Relationship to the green emerald. No, I think just a relationship. That is not required. I think that's fine. Author's name. Sharanya Srinidhi is author's name. She has written the story. Very good. Author sex is female. That's fine. Intro is sometimes or always. Always. Okay. There is no violence in the story. Give it 0. There is no ego rating. There is no this. There is no cliche. What about cliche rating? Okay, guys, we are all ready to do the story. Are you ready to do the Star Wars story in a caveman era? Click on make story. Okay, let it ride. It's written. The story. It's called The Phantom Curiosity by Sharanya Srinidhi. A long time ago in a galaxy far away, I got this idea from another story I was writing. I thought I'll use it here. One day, Srinidhi was hanging out with the droid robots. Wait, said Leia to the young legend. Wait up. The young legend waited for her to arrive. Okay, united for her in friendship. One mighty. Okay, that's fine. I should tell you something, Leia said while she barely dared to look at Srinidhi. What is it? Srinidhi said. You can tell me anything. The great Soviet Union will live through the ages, a dream of people, their fortress secure. I'm not sure, but oh gosh, I'm embarrassing myself, Leia said with the cutest giggle the marketing legend had ever seen her show. Long live our Soviet motherland, built by the people's mighty hand. Long live our people, united and free. Strong in our friendship, tried by fire. I think I allow a hand. Under the words, Srinidhi's heart sank. Oh my god, because really he loved Leia. So you understood, guys. Okay, let's read one more paragraph just for your entertainment's sake. Okay, and education's sake, you saw that fanfic maker can make a hell lot of amazing stories. Legend sat there at home in the cave, but he didn't want to go anywhere. The weight on his heart was too heavy to bear, and so he laid down on his bed, and stayed at the ceiling while listening to his favorite songs. Okay, you understood, guys? Legend then rose up again. That is all fine. Okay, so Leia looked at him and said those beautiful words. I think I love you too. Long live our Soviet motherland, built by the people's mighty hand. Long live our people, united and free, strong in our friendship, tried by fire. Long may our crimson flag inspire, shining in glory for all men to see. Very interesting. You can also make it glitter. Okay, look at the glitter. Okay, and you can make it stars if you want it. You can do that, and then you can make it coffee stain if you want a particular coffee stain in that particular one. Ink splotches. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Treasure map. Want to do that? Treasure map. Oh my god, this is insane. Chaos. If you want to create chaos in the story, do some chaos stuff and give that. Okay, you want creating chaos in the story. Anyways, you don't want that right now. Okay, so understood, guys. Normal text, default fanfic font. This is a font changer. Style 1, style 2. Oh my god, style of the year. Then style Pacifo, whatever it is, style finger. I want the default fanfic font. This is the best of its kind in the world. Then you can share the story, you can email the story, or select part of the text to share the code plus link, whatever it is. This is pretty amazing. The Phantom curiosity has led me to be becoming a very curious individual here. Very curious I've become, right? Amazingly curious, and this is amazing to the core. Okay, so understood, guys. What you have to do, you can head over to settings. Okay, it will be saved, don't worry, and then you can change the fandom to whatever era you want. Okay, so this you can change whatever you want. If you want a preset of something else, maybe say Mass Effect or whatever it is, you can give that, and then you can click on make story. Even randomize you can do, and it'll give a completely different story, guys. Okay, it'll give a completely different story, and this is something which may delight you to the core, right? So once you change that, you can change the era, modern era, whatever you want. You can change the say names. You can change the hobbies. You can change the homeworld, right? Sometimes I change the male sidekick to or female sidekick to and see how it is. Sometimes the villain sex can be male or female or unspecified. Okay, this is relationship with the MacGriffin. I think a relationship to the MacGriffin to whatever, to a hero or a villain or a sidekick or whatever it is. Author's name. Then intro, if you want always intro, you can have that. You can have these ratings to be changed. Okay, so and then you can also click on randomize. Randomize will randomize everything. Okay, it's randomize everything. Can you believe it? Just see this, randomize will randomize everything out there, so you don't have to fill everything. So if you want, you can just paste the author's name and randomize that. Okay, pretty amazing, right? This is the fanfic maker for you. The world's amazingly fanfic made here. Okay, so I mean it's made a great fanfic, right? Be excellent to each other. We are always excellent. Then we have your random story generator. Okay, it's in trinket.io/python/37f7ad3152. Okay, this is put interactive Python anywhere on the web. Okay, guys, so you can customize the code and you can share it. Okay, and this is pretty good. So here what it does is you have some sentences out here, right? Like intro 1, intro 2, intro 3, char 1, character 2, character, whatever, right? So problem, solution and all. So here you just have to write the text. Okay, whatever you write. So if you have some hundreds of sentences out there for the intro, you have to put hundreds of sentences to the character 1. You have to put hundreds of sentences to the problem, the hundreds of sentences to the solution. Okay, and hundreds of sentences to the end. Once this is all done, so the intro, characters, problem, solution, endings. Once you have that, all you got to do is go to the top and you have this play button, right? Put that play button, or you can click on the remix here or play button. It will completely generate stories. Okay, pretty amazing. What do you think, guys? You see this? It's generating here. You're not able to see that. You're seeing that, right? Amazing, right? It's generating a lot of stories. For example, we'll read one story. Okay, I was sitting on the edge of the rocky cliff beside my favorite tree. I pulled out the photo of my long-lost mother and where on earth she could be. Suddenly, I was covered from head to toe with darkness. I couldn't breathe or see. Everything went black. I forced my drowsy eyes, opened my eyes to see a bright light. A man came to my side with a knife. It was my father. "Bob, go to sleep, young one," he said. Okay. And my father was a simple man. Okay, I'm reading it from my imagination from there on. Okay. So you understood, guys? You understood about how it works, right? How this is amazingly working, you understood, right? I think you would have. Because this is interactive Python-based story generator. For the first time in the world, you cannot believe that Python-based story generators can change the entire facet together, okay? This is amazing, guys. You can customize the code below and share and all this stuff. It's pretty amazing. So always remember intros, characters, problems, solutions, and endings. Always remember that, okay? And you can even this is the code you need not change, okay? Random.choice intros, print random.choice characters, print random.choice problems, print random.choice solutions. You need not change everything else. Import random dot. Here only you have to change this sentence. You have to change. Okay, this is enemy adjective. If you want, you can change that. Father names. If you want to change that. Enemy. This one you can change that. But it's amazing, guys, because trinket is pretty amazing to the core. Okay, it's very interesting topic, and you can look at that. Okay, pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed this mind-blowing tutorial on story and blog topic generation and grammar stuff. Okay, and we have here Sharanya Srinidhi here, and she's working on a lot of things, and she has only researched on these topics and told me that Srinidhi, these kind of topics exist in the planet. It's very good, and it can change the careers of writers worldwide. Okay, she's now busy having a coffee. And it's pretty amazing. Sometimes chocolate coffees matter the most. Thank you. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off. Bye bye for now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. Welcome video creation students, all of you. How are you guys? So this is amazingly amazing. Okay, so digital marketing domination series is going amazing. So we have here mixkit.co, okay, / make your own free music video. So as I was googling for music to free video creators, for music to video creation, I stumbled upon some amazing one which is called Mixkit. Okay, so here you can make your own music videos with these free videos. Okay, so not only for music videos, you can use it for business purposes also. Okay, so it's pretty amazing. Okay, so how you can do that is, for example, I'll teach you how you can edit this stuff. So I have a waterfall here and I have a sea wave here. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to click on this waterfall in a forest. Okay, and see this, you can download this free stock video clip for commercial or personal use. Okay, so it's free, completely free, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on download free video, and it's going to download. Okay, so now along with the waterfall I can download one more video. So I'll go back and I have here women and sea waves hitting a cliff. Okay, this video is pretty amazing, so I'm going to download this too. Oh my god, what a video there. So I'm going to click on download. Okay, so that also downloading, by the way. So I can go back. I can figure out some other the videos out there or something like that, so that it can aid in this regard. So this one, a person adjusting the levels of some distortion pedals. I'm going to download this video too. So I'm going to click on download. Okay, so it's downloaded 3 videos now. One we have the waterfall there. One we have the woman video here, and one we have this what do you call it, as a person adjusting the stuff video, technology, whatever video this is about, right? Close-up shot video. So now I'm going to go to show in finder, where I'm going to find it, or show in folder, whatever it is. So these are the videos. So I'm going to put them to a particular folder. So I'm going to go into desktop. Okay, I'm going to put a new folder and say music video sample edit. Okay, it's a big folder name, whatever. Oh my god, where did it go? Where is the folder? Oh my god, here it is. So I'm going to paste these videos here. Cut and paste it. Pretty amazing. Now what I can do is I can head over, now I'm going to minimize this. Okay, so I'm going to go to moviemakeronline.com /a/merge-video. Repeat after me. moviemakeronline.com /a/merge-video. Oh my god, why are you repeating? Go ahead and type that website URL. So all you gotta do is merge video, drag clips, photos, music on your page to comment. So here we have Movie Maker, we have trim video, we have merge video, we have video editor, slideshow maker, etc. Okay, so now the first one I'm going to add. I'm going to close this whole one. I'm going to add the file. Which file do you tell me, guys? I'm going to add the file of the year, which is here, and I'm going to add all these 3 files. I'm going to open this. Okay, so this is privacy policy, accepted use anonymously. So now let's see what happens. So now we see these 3 files have loaded. It's uploading. Hold on for a second until it uploads. Then only you'll understand the concept how it is. Okay. So it's uploading all the 3 files. Okay. So now we need to add the music. Okay. And we can also do the edits that we want here. So we can also look at the music, whatever music you want to add, and we can do that. Okay. So hold on for a second. Let it upload. If I click on free music now, I think it may go off. Let's see. No, it's not gonna. So now I can choose the music I want, so calm music or whatever I can choose. Okay, guys, and I can click on the add music button here. Okay, click on that here. So I'm gonna add this. You can listen to the music before you add, but anyways, it's added. Okay, whatever. Pretty amazing, right? So close this, and then it's added the music there. Okay, you can crossfade the music. You can fade in the music. You can fade out the music. Okay. So anyways, I don't want the music to play right now, so I'm just doing this. Okay, ad block was enabled, so I have to disable ad block because it not work. So I gotta disable that. Hold on for a second. Then only it works. Okay, hold on. I think that this is the ad block one. Okay, so I've blocked it. Now refresh the page. Oh my God, we gotta do it again. Oh my goodness gracious me. Or it's come here. It's converting. So let's wait for it. Anyways, it worked. Okay. Cool. So the music is here. This is the main one. This is the other footages. Okay. So you can change the crossfade of the music, the fade in and the fade out, and the appearing stuff, and the disappearing stuff, and the effect stuff, and the location stuff, and how you can fit it, and then you can generate it. Main and text and all this stuff is fine. Global effects, if you want anything, you can go ahead and add the global effect. You can add effects also here, like boxer, brightness, keyer, edger, intenter, glower, scratcher, or whatever effect. So right now I don't want any effects, just cancel it. And format can be HD, 480p, 360p, 240p, 144p. We don't use those formats anyways. 144p and all we don't want. So then once this is done, you can go ahead and you can adjust this, right? So you want to adjust that particular video. You can do that adjustment here. So pretty much, so I think it's all done. Okay, so now the videos are really good out there, and then all you got to do is make video. So once you click on the make video option, okay, so what's going to do is you click on make video, and you're going to click on I'm not a robot. We are not robots anyways. And now what's going to do is it's going to make the video. Okay, it's going to take some time and make the video. Once the video is completely done, we can play the video. It'll play with the music, believe it or not. Okay, so 4% completed right now. Okay, so you understood the concept, right, guys? So typically you can also do one thing, right? You can use photos together. Okay, like you have a bulk load of photos that you have. Okay, what you can do is you can add the photos one by one. So to find free photos, you can head over to pixels.com. Okay, so in Pixels, you can find free photos. So here you can find whatever free photos you want. You want to make videos about space, this type planets. You see this, guys, how amazing photos they are. Okay, very interesting photos. Okay, so if you want to make videos with this, just download. You see a download button here. Just download those photos and then wrap them up in a kind of a video format. Okay, it's 33%, 34% completed, by the way. Yeah, Pixels is an amazing way to go ahead and do the photos. Okay, so it's pretty amazing where I think you can use this instead of the music, right? What I suggest you, if you want to do a kind of a screencast video, all you can do is just record the screencast or with the photos. You explain the concept using a normal audio recorder like Audacity. You can use Audacity for the audio recording purposes. Okay, Audacity is a free open source cross-platform audio software. Okay, so I gotta click on I'm not human, that only works, by the way. Please click each image can enable. Okay, so what I'm able to tell you is pretty much, so Audacity works a lot. Okay, it's pretty amazing in terms of what you call as going ahead and doing the magic here. So it'll come there right now. Audacity, yeah, there it is. Free open source cross-platform audio software. It's easy to use, multi-track audio editor and recorder for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and other operating systems, right? So it's pretty amazing. So what it does is you can record live audio through a microphone or a mixer and digitize recordings from other media. You can import, edit, and combine sound files. Audio editing is amazing here. Sound quality 16-bit, 24-bit, 32-bit. Sample rates and formats are converted in using high quality resampling and dithering. Plugins are there. Plugins are very interesting. Editing effects we have like a lot of VST effects. LV2 and LAD, SPA, all these effects are amazing. Analysis and accessibility to the core. The work 57% completed. It's almost going to be completed. Okay. So free open source audio recording software like Audacity can change your entire planet itself, right? So planet of your say what you call as your own worlds, right? Because typically your world is consisting of maybe making videos and primarily making audios as a creator, as a YouTube creator or a video creation expert. Now you can also do this for your clients, which I forgot to mention. So in moviemakeronline.com, what you can do is if you're creating videos for your clients, for example, one of my clients, right? So there are like hundreds of videos to be created. So what I do is I use moviemakeronline.com. They just want they have separate audio files, okay? So we just need to create videos based on those audio files. So what I pretty much do is I go ahead and put the photos in there, okay? And then add the audio file in there, right? And create a video very easily using moviemakeronline.com. Now if you want to create videos, what I do is I find the stock footage through these, okay? So I told you, right? Mixkit.co or Pixels. Pixels also has a stock footage kind of thing. So go head over to pixels.com/videos. You'll find a lot of stock footage. Pixabay is one more amazing. You might have heard of Pixabay. I know that. Pixabay.com/videos. That also for stock footage and clips. It's thousands of free stock video clips and footage are shared by the talented community, right? So it's pretty amazing. And here you can find all the stock footage that you want. Okay, and once you have those stock footage, come over back to here, and then you put the stock footage here and just sync them with your audio or music. That's it. You have video ready, right? It's amazing to the core, right? So when you create videos that fast, it makes perfect sense. Okay, pretty amazing. 82% complete, 83 now. So you understood the concept, right? How Audacity and free open source software, audio editing and audio recording and audio plugin software work. You might have understood the concept. Okay. So what we are to do with Audacity VST effects? That also I'll tell you. So VST, what is VST is? I'll tell you. So VST effects are there, okay? So it's called Virtual Studio Technology, okay? It's kind of an audio plugins, okay? Which can integrate the effects for your audio. So typically if your video want effects like, say different kinds of VST effects, like say 8D audio, or audio where Dolby Atmos you need, or Dolby, say DTS effects, or surround sound or panning needed, or different kinds of effects also are there. Okay, there are lots of effects for VST plugins. You can Google that there right now. So those kind of effects also you can put across for your videos. So the first of all, you have to put the VST effect for your audio. Once you put the VST effect for your audio, just export the audio as an MP3 or a WAV file out there. Okay. Once you export it as a WAV file or MP3 file, just import it into moviemakeronline.com. Along with the photos or the videos that you wanted, and then it's going to create the movie of the year. Okay, so very easy. So moviemakeronline.com will change your entire world itself in terms of making a lot of movies. Okay, 99% completed. Where is that 1%? Show me that 100% completion, guys. Come first. I want to show it to you. Okay, so you understood about that, right? And once you have a kind of a video or stock footage that you want, your movie is ready. Okay, once you have the stock footage that you want, you can use it to the fullest potential. So I can watch a movie here. We can watch the movie. The movie is ready. So this is the movie, guys. Hold on for a second. It's gonna load. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I can click on this, play video, and I can turn off the music. The music will come, don't worry. So it's going to mix it together, right? So after this video, see with the music it'll play. This is a movie. And then you saw the slow transition, how it happened amazingly. And see that it has made some amazing, transitions, different effects also it has made. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. The effects it has made was pretty cool. And look at this, guys. This is the movie of the year. Amazing, right? Oh my God. What an exposure kind of effect, masking kind of effect. Okay, then you can click on download for free and you can download the complete movie. If you want, you can delete this also. Pretty amazing. So now you looked at moviemakeronline.com here for artificial intelligence video creation students, and this is key. This is absolute key, okay, to create a lot of videos. Thank you. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, the king of digital marketing, signing off from this amazing video. Bye-bye for now. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan, and welcome to the most amazing course of all time, digital marketing domination. And typically we are here in what you call as say influencer marketing. How do you grow your business and all this stuff in part 15 here. In this particular video. So how do you grow your business with influencer marketing? Okay, so what is influencer marketing according to everyone? And according to me, typically it is a strategy that companies use to promote their products and services. We're partnering with top social media people who are famous in their niche. Okay, so typically influencer they are called as. And these kind of influencers usually have a large audience which are pretty much engaged, that as a brand you can tap into their market to build credibility and even sales for that matter. Okay, so this is the power of influencer marketing. Now, how will it work? Now, what are the benefits of this, right? So we'll come to that. So the benefits of influencer marketing are, the first thing is you can grow your own social following with the influencer's audience. The second thing is you'll be able to reach a bigger audience. And if the category niche is, accustomed to what you call as a particular niche which your brand is in, it'll help you in a great lot of ways. It'll also help you to increase your own site traffic. Website, or you're promoting an app, or maybe an e-commerce site. It'll help you skyrocket your website traffic. Next is you can even build a trust for your brand with the power of the influencer. That's also one thing. And then you can even drive sales, guys. So a ton of sales through the power of influencer marketing. If you go to the right influencers that can make a difference. Who can make a difference? Okay, so to your brand's marketing, then those are the influencers you're looking at. Now, how do you particularly choose a particular influencer that what do you call as who will be your game changer? Now, there are thousands of influencers out there, okay? So, typically, the influencers who have a great audience with a higher engagement ratio matters the most. Because the higher the engagement ratio is, okay, it's a clear indication that this influencer that you're targeting has taken the time to build up a great organic loyal following, okay? So, that's pretty good. And there are some influencers where you can achieve, with whom you can achieve the maximum return on investment, right? So, for example, if an influencer has, say, 10,000 to 20,000 plus followers, right? And the ratio for the smaller audience is, say, 15% or 10%, okay? So, we want to make sure that the ratio is at least, say, 5% for 30,000 plus audiences. then we are dealing with a loyal following here. Okay, so that matters the most. And places where you can find these kind of influencers are Shoutcart is an amazing place where you can find out these kind of influencers, right? Freedom, partnership network is one more pretty good influencer finding portal, right? And then we also have say BuzzSumo, which is the greatest of the portals where you can find a great lot of influencers out there, right? So these are really good. Growth Hackers forums, inbound.org, where you can find a lot of influencers out there. Okay, so those are great places to find influencers. Quora is a great place, guys. I found a ton of influencers to Quora, and that's also pretty amazing out there. LinkedIn, typically you know that, right? A lot of LinkedIn groups where a lot of influencer marketing groups are there, and LinkedIn itself, where you'll be able to find a lot of influencers. So what is the biggest lesson that I have learned through influencer marketing and how you can leverage it, right? So typically what happened is there are certain influencers, like even if you have a huge budget, right, and do it consistently and frequently, it depends on the influencers that you choose typically. And you got to choose the right ones after all. Now, otherwise, you'll be wasting a ton of money on investing in the wrong influencers. That should not happen, right? And typically what I feel is that the effectiveness of every campaign should be tracked using, kind of a great analytics tool. Okay. So some of the tools we can use is Bitly to track the effectiveness of the marketing campaigns. Okay. So Lead Dino is a great affiliate marketing, portal where you can start your own affiliate marketing empire. And that is a pretty amazing portal out there where, you can start your own affiliate marketing business. Now, how does this affiliate marketing business work? Now, what is it got to do with influencer marketing? I'll tell you. Suppose, right, Lead Dino, you have the authority or you have the ownership of, going for Lead Dino. What will happen typically is through Lead Dino, you get a lot of influencers who will turn into affiliate marketers to get your affiliate links and promote your business, right? So you can always play a crucial role there, right? That also matters the most. So how to actually grow your business with influencer marketing? If you ask me, I think 49% of customers depend on influencer recommendations, right? So even 60% of YouTube subscribers trust influencer opinions over traditional celebrities. Now that matters the most, right? So because it's like it's kind of natural, right? Because if you have been watching or following a person for a longer period of time and all his advices that training whatever he gives is coming correct, then you would definitely feel that, oh, this is a person, I know him. He's a great, influencer, and he's saying some great things. Why not try it out, right? That kind of thought might come to your audience, right? That kind of, thought might actually strike your audience, by the way. Okay, so even industries like fashion, beauty, photography, all these have seen huge rise in the popularity of influencer marketing over the greatest, past several years right now, from 2017. This has started, and even nowadays, 75% of fashion companies use influencer partnerships, guys, and even 15% of them expect to begin leveraging it very soon. Okay, so it will never fizzle out to become oversaturated, right? This is a business which is, worth jumping in. Okay, so typically, it's really good, because what I would like to tell you is it's not a new strategy. It's a pretty old strategy, but influencers have great power over things, right? They can drive sales more effectively than word of mouth marketing matters. So than the word of mouth marketing, I think influencers, marketing, doing the marketing will have a significant, factor in that'll play a crucial role in the perceptions or the notion of the audience. So typically, having an influencer to skyrocket your business can help to even increase your social media following, and sometimes it can even help in SEO, boost factors. Okay. So a typical brand plus an influencer can make it mutually beneficial for you. Okay. So it's kind of a great, this one, what do you call as, the crowd tapping factor that we are talking about, right? You tap in the crowd of the influencer, you tap in the fans of the influencer, and that is what the freedom of, marketing is actually there, right? So you get a total freedom of, digital marketing there. Okay. So even sometimes you can have an influencer partnership between your brand and the influencer, which can be extended also, right? So that's pretty cool. And I think definitely a long-term partnership might come great in handy. But you got to set the influencer campaign's main objectives and the terms and all in the first place itself. And once you do that, I think influencer marketing can play a very crucial role. It'll have an impressive, stuff. And always remember your campaign's objective, whatever that you, leverage, it should be SMART. Like SMART means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Okay, so these are the ones. Okay, specific, whatever the influencer is promoting has to be very much specific. Measurable, okay, that means it should be a measurable campaign in terms of what you call as it should not be too out of the box also, right? It should be down to the earth. Okay, achievable stuff, like the audience can, for example, buy a product or participate in sales or be a lead. They should have something to do, right? They should have some motive factor, right? And that motive factor should be achievable, or the required factor of the audience should be achievable. Relevant, it should be relevant in today's world, and it should be relevant to the particular audience segment, right? Then time bound, right? It should be like something like you should give a time constraint to this, maybe 24 hours. That's what the campaign is going to be, or 48 hours the deals are going to be, right? So whatever, it should be a countdown timer, you remember, right? The clock keeps ticking. Do the work. Okay, always remember that. Okay, so I think you guys would have got a fair idea about how influencer marketing can completely change and influence others also at the same time. Okay. The reach will always be higher, guys. Don't forget, the reach, social media reach, is always going to be high. If the person has a lot of followers and still a lot of followers, you'll be able to put your brand in front of more people. Your video or your website or your app ad or whatever is going to be in front of more people. The engagement factor is going to be amazing, correct? And always remember, whether it's a micro influencer who has a smaller audience up to 10K, or a macro influencer who has a great audience like 1 million, right? What we should look at it, the factor is that influencer marketing doesn't change. It's the same thing. Okay, only the reach changes there. Okay, influencer marketing is a good old concept. Okay, it's a balancing act with the trial and error component itself. Okay, so it definitely means a lot to your business, and definitely I think that if you use influencer marketing in the right way, I think you can do wonders here. Okay, and skyrocket your business to great growth and success. Thank you. Let's see you in the next video here. Marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off from this video. Thank you, guys. Super tips to write SEO friendly content. Welcome to Digital Marketing Domination, part 16 of 25. This is digital marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. Welcome, guys. How are you doing? Now, today we are looking looking at the ultimate tips to write SEO friendly content, right? So what is SEO? You know that, right? Search engine optimization. And typically how search engines crawl the websites out there is through the content itself, right? So whenever you do a search in search engine like Google, DuckDuckGo, Yahoo, Bing, right, you see a lot of websites, and then how are these websites ranked? It's the power of content itself, right? And typically what I'm able to tell you is now how to write a great SEO friendly content, right? SEO optimized content. The first one is use of headlines, right? For all content writers out there, for all SEO content writers out there, use of headlines matter the most, because it's the headlines that make people to click and see your video, okay? Then typically, the alt image tag comes into the full picture. Alt image tag is, for example, when you're writing a blog, right, and you have a blog featured image out there, right? So it's called alt, A-L-T, alt tag, they call it, right? So whenever you have a featured image in a blog, and you have to name that image something. When you name that image, so if the image is about a computer, name it computer, right? So if the image is about a table, name it table. If the image is about a man sitting in front of a computer, name it a man sitting in front of a computer. So why you do that? Why should you do that? Can you tell me, guys? See, the action that you do there is to name the image. So the search engines, when somebody searches on Google images, such as a man sitting in front of a computer, or maybe a table, or maybe a computer, they may likely see your image, and when you click on that image, there's 10% chance that they may click that image and come to your website where that image is displayed. You understood the point, right? That's how it works. Then add links. Inbound links should be added, right? So outbound links and inbound links, there's two differences, guys. Okay, so see, you have to internally link the pages, guys. Internally link the pages. For example, if you have a first blog article that you wrote, you can link it to the fifth blog article that you wrote, saying that for more articles, check out this, or some related articles, check out this fifth blog article, right? So internal links matter the most. External links also matter the most. For example, you have a YouTube channel, you can embed the video there, or link it to your YouTube video. Or if you have a Twitter account, you say follow me on Twitter and link it to your Twitter account. The blog post can be linked to your Twitter account. Or if you have a LinkedIn URL, you can link that to a LinkedIn URL, right? So you add links to the content, makes it pretty amazing. Then optimize the length of your article. Okay, so the length should be appropriate. It should not be too much also, too little also. The length should be appropriate, right? So 1,000 words or 700 to 1,000 words matter the most. Choose your keywords wisely. Whenever you write SEO friendly content, you got to choose your keywords wisely. What kind of keywords are you looking at, or your audience looking at, matters the most. Find out, figure out on Google Trends, go out there. Remember I told you, go to Google Trends, find out what keywords are trending. Make articles out of those. It can be news articles, or it can be your personal opinion about something. Make that, and then you put it there across, and that matters the most, right? So your keyword should be chosen wisely. And optimize your images. Your images, I already told you, right? So shrink your images also. Shrink your images, because an image that has too much of a size or too little of a size, if it has too little of a size, the resolution will completely go off, right? If it is too much of a size, it'll take time to load. So optimize your images for the optimum quality, and you make sure the image matches the content article that you're writing. Then make the content shareable. Okay, so there are click to tweet tools and all this stuff where it can help to make your content shareable, right? Write high quality content that matters the most. The content should come like kind of a wow factor to your audience, right? A wow factor. It should bring a wow factor. Oh my god, this is amazing content. I'm reading something really amazing. I'm reading something more incredible. That thought should come on in their minds, right? That matters the most. Then content optimization, right? So content optimization is something like you can go ahead and optimize your articles based on readability, highlight the sentences, make some sentences bold, make some sentences italic, correct? And sometimes you can enter a URL for a text, and always check for plagiarism. It matters the most. Keyword density, how many times you're using a keyword in a particular article, matters the most. Okay, you got to check your keyword density and then optimize your content. And guys, never ever forget that you got to add your SoundCloud URL, embed an audio to your content. Also, sometimes when people doesn't go ahead and watch a YouTube video, they might just listen to your audio, right? Or always remember, you can convert your podcasts to videos. Also, there are tools that help you to convert podcasts to videos, audio to video. And you can use Headliner. It's an amazing tool to convert an audio to a video. And Render Forest is an amazing tool to create a promo video about your blog and post it on YouTube. Render Forest is a great tool. Okay, Render Forest. Okay, so even we have Shaker, SHAKR, and all this stuff. They're amazing tools for creating video promotions. Now, all it matters the most is that to add a wow factor to the audience. Okay, so whenever you write the content out there, it should not increase your marketing budget. You should not be spending too much of stuff to write. You should produce SEO friendly content that matters the most to your audience. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off from this incredible video out there. Hi guys, welcome to digital marketing domination part 17. And here in part 17 we're going to have blog topic idea generator. Believe it or not, this is ultimate generators for you content writers out there and for digital marketers out there. This is the video you are going after. Okay, so head over to webfx.com/blog-topic-idea-generator. Okay, once you head over there, here you will see something like kill that creative block with our blog post idea generator. Everybody, most of them, let me tell you the situation, the use case here. Most of them struggle to get a blog topic idea. Most of them have the kind of the creator's block. Whether you're a SEO specialist, whether you're an author, whether you're a video creator, what you create, videos about is something which you might be thinking, oh my God, what to create videos about? I have no clue. But here, you can just type anything. Suppose I type in, say digital marketing. I click on keep them coming. Guys, you saw that? It's given a topic, the modern rules of digital marketing. Okay. So next idea, the newest innovation in the digital marketing industry. Now, this is amazing ideas. Next one, the world's worst digital marketing advice that anybody can give. Next, like this, you have a lot of ideas. 31 of the top digital marketing Twitter accounts. Why I choose digital marketing as my career. Worst digital marketing mistakes and how to fix them. What Jerry Seinfeld would say about digital marketing. That's pretty good. Why I choose digital marketing as my career. 38 facts about digital marketing that will knock your socks off. So all you gotta do is just change this 38 to say 15 or 10 or 5. And facts you can change to something else. You can say 15 ideas about digital marketing that will knock your hats off. Something like that. You can make your changes also. Okay. So webfx.com/blog-topic-idea-generator is going to help you to kill that creative block, which is the kind of an enemy out there, right? For all writers or for digital marketers, the creative block is kind of an enemy, right? Because you'll get stuck in something. When we're getting stuck, we cannot think, right? So this is the best part, okay, that you should do. Not only digital marketing. Suppose you want to write about, say cars. I'll type in cars and keep it comment. How cars has changed the world for the better. Can you believe it? How real cars problems are solved. Why car strategies succeed. The top 26 must-see car YouTube videos. So you understood, guys, what we are doing? Okay? So you can Google your name too, or whatever. Legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. Keep them coming. The worst guidance for Legend Srinidhi Ranganathan you ever heard. That's pretty good. The Legend Srinidhi Ranganathan experts you should be following online. 39 of the top Legend Srinidhi Ranganathan bloggers. When Legend Srinidhi Ranganathan goes wrong, some of them make sense. Some of them it takes by itself. Okay, a unique way to use Legend. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, definitely use me for your advice. The secret of successful Legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. Anyways, now you understood, guys, how it works. So this is how it works. Okay, you can go ahead and try this out in webfx.com, and then this is pretty good. I think you have enjoyed this video, because blog post idea generator has definitely gone ahead and created a difference in your mind, in your creative mind for that matter. Okay, bye bye. This is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan signing off from this video. Enjoy life to the fullest potential, and party night ahead. Bye bye. Hi there, this is digital marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan here, and we are looking at digital marketing domination part 18. Welcome to a all new universe. Okay, so let's begin. What's in this part 18? Let's see about it. Okay. How do you get good page rank on Google search? Okay, so this is typically very useful for digital marketers and SEO specialists. This video, okay. So typically, guys, there are different kinds of strategies, different kinds of tips, different kind of tricks that you can use to get ranking on the top of Google. The first one is on-page optimization, it's called, okay? So the on-page optimization is, the actual text content of the page is called as on-page optimization. So it can be what you call as, giving an alt image tag to the blog post that you write. That means images should be named accordingly, okay, guys? And, the titles, the SEO keywords that you give. If you're using WordPress, use Yoast SEO plugin. Yoast, Y-O-A-S-T, Yoast. Or you can use all-in-one SEO plugin if you're using WordPress, right? And it's going to tell you that what kind of keyword snippets, what kind of keyword tags, what kind of keywords, meta description, the meta title that you're giving, right? The slug, everything it is going to tell you, okay? So based on that, you got to go ahead and actually do all the magic in updating those, okay? And the next one is what I call when it comes to on page is actually getting tons and tons of content out there, right? Content is king, content is queen, content is everything. So the more number of blog posts you have on your site, the better it's going to rank. But make sure you don't publish everything, all the hundreds of blog posts that you write at once. You got to take time. You got to schedule it accordingly, right? So you know what, my artificial intelligence AI students, they schedule tons and tons of content, related to, it can be blogs, it can be a review of a particular product. If they're doing drop shipping, it can be a review. Some of my students own movie review channels. Now, they post reviews about movies out there, right? So every day a movie would be coming in. So every day they post blog articles, okay? I've seen some of my students who go ahead and, even post about, mobile apps that are trending, right? So they post content about that. They all need to do on-page SEO, guys, okay? They all need to do. They need to make sure the title is not so long enough. The blog content, the posts are really good, engaging, attractive, and the SEO should be really good and all this stuff, correct, guys? And they should make sure that they're writing for organic content, right? They're writing for organic reach only, right? They're not just stuffing in some keywords. They're not stuffing in some kind of copy pasting from somewhere and all, right? So that should not work. You should never copy paste. Okay. Then on-site optimization. That means, guys, the internal linking part it's called. Okay. Internal linking part means, for example, you have one page. Okay. You want to link your blog post to certain other pages or certain videos or certain products that you have on Instamojo or certain products you have or you're selling on being an Amazon affiliate, by the way, right? So all the stuff might work really good for on-site optimization. The internal linking plays a crucial role, right? So if you want to link a blog post to a home page, you can do that. If you want to link a blog post to an About Us page or a contact page, or see, for example, some of them write blog posts. So one of my students had a doubt. Okay, he came to me, he said, "Sir, I've been writing a lot of blog posts, but I'm not getting a lot of conversions out there. What should I do?" I asked him, did you actually include a call to action for every blog post that you write? Yes. What is a call to action, sir? A call to action is something like you have to give the user something that you have to achieve from the blog, right? So something the user wants, he has to choose something at that point of time. That instant action he takes is called as call to action. So a call to action can be download ebook, sign up for something, or maybe call phone number, call the actual person who wrote the blog. You have the phone number displayed, or it can be an email displayed, send an email, or it can be a video, watch video button out there, or sign up for some of the product, or it can be put the customer on the wait list for some of the product or something like that. So this is all called as call to action. So I asked him, did you include a call to action to your page? He said no. So from that day onwards, he included a call to action on his blog. Every blog post that he writes, he includes a call to action. And trust me, that gave him a lot of leads. That gave him a lot of customers. That even gave me a lot of customers, right? So typically, he links some of his blog posts to my website. So that's pretty good. Okay, very good. So then offsite. Okay, so offsite means it links to the target page from other websites. Now, what is offsite? Is very easy, guys. You have say some of the websites out there, like for example, I told you right now that student, correct, linked a blog post button to my website, right? So I'm a third party here, right? So I got an offsite benefit from that. Okay, so that's called an offsite, right? That it's actually called as backlinking. If you know in layman terms, it's called as backlinking out there. Okay, pretty cool. So that's how it works. So see, top rankings are always never guaranteed out there. Today you put a blog post, tomorrow it'll not rank on Google. It's not like one day you become a millionaire, the previous day you start to work. Okay, it's nothing like that. But you got to use good optimization techniques on your site. Okay, you should never leverage poor optimization techniques on your site. Okay, see, competitors may be doing something right, something wrong. There's a lot of competition out there, right? The user intent, the trends in the particular niche category you're writing may change. Today, chess will be famous. Tomorrow, cricket will be famous. Day after tomorrow, some other subject might be famous, right? So it all depends on what the user interests are, what they are searching for, their intent, the behavior of the audience. So there are so many things that come into a crucial factor here, right? And Google also keeps on updating its algorithm. It keeps on test the ranking, right? Okay. And guys, I suggest you to use some kind of a secret formula. Okay, what is that formula? I'm going to tell you, right? It is some kind of a mascot for your business or some kind of a tagline that you have. You got to use it in every blog post or every YouTube video and embed that video on your blog or something like that. So that plays a crucial part of an SEO for a digital marketer. So how does that work? Now, if you have a tagline out there, right, guys? So if you have a particular tagline or something that you want to convey about your company, you can include that particular one in every kind of repetition. Okay, matters there. Okay, so that might help. Okay, and guys, it all depends on even country to country rankings. Some topics may be popular in a particular country. Some topics may not be very popular in a particular country. So that also depends, right? Okay. And if you, some services may be popular in a particular country. Some services that you're offering may not be popular in this particular country. Now, I cannot sell water in a country where there is no water. But I can sell, technology in a country where there's technology. Let's give an example. I cannot sell chocolates in a country which, or a city or a place where, or a district that doesn't, have the chocolate craze out there, right? But I can sell chocolates in a place where chocolates are the main stuff, right? So it depends, guys. So it all depends on a lot of factors out there, okay? So the service, the ranking for the particular categories, the kind of audiences, their intent, their behaviors, how many products you have, the stock, so many things, so many factors matter the most. How you're ranking, what is the competition? So in that particular, what you call as niche segment. So everything matters the most, okay? Okay, so and guys, one more thing I want to tell you is people ask me, sir, how much traffic will I need to get to the #1 in Google search? Now I tell them. Now, traffic you would definitely need, okay? Because then only Google would think it's worthy that your, say blog post should be shown to other people, the video should be shown to other people or whatever it is, right? So the click-through rate is also important. What is the click-through rate? How do you click on that particular link and go to your blog or video? That matters the most. And guys, I like to tell you that how to get a ton of traffic coming up. Okay, so typically to get a ton of traffic coming up to your say a blog post or something like that, make the best use of social media. Groups, there are tons of groups, Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups. Pinterest is a great traffic medium platform. There are lots of Pinterest software like Viraloot, VIRALWOOT, right? So much of softwares in Pinterest is there. You can get a ton of traffic from there. Groups, LinkedIn groups, creating a company page for your brand also matters the most. Facebook groups. There are tons of groups where there are over 100,000 or 200,000 members. So you can go ahead and go for those particular groups and, get a ton of traffic from those groups, right? And that also matters the most because traffic and shares, that's called as social signals, okay? So you need a ton of social signals out there. Social signals means I'm talking about the number of shares, number of likes, number of comments, the engagement in your posts. It counts as social signal in order for a search engine to rank your blog posts. How do you actually go ahead and get that particular, a social signal for your brand or for your brand mentions or that people should be actually go ahead and checking out your brand, and people should actually go ahead and check out, search for your brand and all the stuff. But in order to do that, you got to be first famous in the first place. Okay, once you're famous, in order to get famous, you'll need a ton of traffic. You'll need to create a lot of brand awareness for your brand. In order to do that, it all results in good SEO. In order to get good SEO, you got tons of content. So everything is interlinked here. Okay, it's like a viral chain. First is content. Next is optimization. The third one is traffic. And the fourth one is customers, sales. Okay, fifth one is repeat customers. Repeat customers are evangelists, right? Who keep on buying from you. They keep on promoting you. Okay, in order for that process, you need a ton of affiliates to join your, group, by the way. Then you can market your products extremely, very, very easily, by the way, right? So that matters the most, right? If you're able to take your products and market them to greater heights of success, there's nothing more happier than that. I hope you got my point out there, okay? And I would also suggest you that there is kind of what you call as a kind of a content gap. I call this, okay? What is a content gap is, suppose you're writing a blog about, say digital marketing, okay? So people are searching for what is digital marketing keyword, okay? So now if we type in just digital marketing, it may not work sometimes, okay, for your rankings to take place, because you can rank. I'm not saying no, but you need tons of traffic, you need tons of shares, you need tons of backlinks, you need tons of social signals. It takes time, guys, and the algorithm should match and all this stuff. But if you write about digital market, suppose I'm in Bangalore, okay, so I want to promote my business. What will I rank for? I will start to write about digital marketing services in Bangalore, okay. That's what I'm going to do it, okay. So if I'm in Indiranagar, I write digital marketing services in Bangalore, Indiranagar. First, I'll try to rank for that, okay. So I'll write a blog post, or 10 blog posts, 100 blog posts regarding that. Somebody searches for digital marketing services in Indiranagar, I'll rank number 1 because I have written 100 blog posts, right? I've created hundreds of videos on the subject. Now what happens then? So now, when people figure out that this, what you call as this amazing services there in Ranganathan, they come here, they're joined as clients, as my clients and all the stuff. That's pretty good working out. So soon I'll rank for digital marketing services in Bangalore itself, apart from Indiranagar. Then I will rank for digital marketing services itself in 1 year when I get tons and tons of traffic. Then after I get like millions of traffic, I'll rank for digital marketing itself. Finally, after 3-4 years, I become really famous, by the way, and ranks on the first page of Google. So guys, you understood how it is, right? So now I'll give you an assignment. Type it down in the comments. How would you like to rank for, say, what do you call as, let's take an example of coffee shop. Coffee shop, you need to rank for coffee shop. You have a coffee shop in, say, Bangalore, and your coffee shop is in MG Road, okay? MG Road. Now, how will you rank that? How are you going to rank that? Put in your comments on your strategies, your tips, your tricks, and how you can rank a coffee shop that you have recently started in MG Road. That's going to be our assignment right now. Type it down. Okay. Think about some strategies. Use some of the strategies. Write down step by steps. You got to write 3 or 4 steps in order for how your coffee shop in MG Road is going to rank. Okay. On the top of Google search. I'm talking about a blog that you write should rank. Okay. So think hard and write. Come with a strategy. Take a take a pen or whatever. Take a piece of paper, or take down a notepad. Your Word or Pages open, or Google Docs open, or whatever. Just type it down. Your strategy. Put in the comments that you're using this particular strategy. I'm confident that this strategy is going to help me rank and all this stuff, right? You never know, because and let others also give their feedback about your strategy who are all commenting here, right? So suppose I have 10 comments. You have 10 more people commenting on the particular strategy saying that it's good, or you can improve this and all this stuff, right? So you can improve certain parts of this, aspects of this strategy. Then it'll be really cool for you guys, right? It'll be very helpful for you. This educative video is going to be really helpful for you only then. Just watching this video will make no sense. You'll have to implement the stuff taught here. Implementation is key, by the way, right? So that's your assignment. Okay, so I hope you went ahead and come to know about this top ranking in Google, strategies, the tips and tricks that I've conveyed here. Okay, so do your own recap. Do a complete recap of this video. Write down in the comments what all you have learned and all this stuff. Okay, thank you. See you in another video. This is marketing legend, digital marketing legend, Srinidhi Ranganathan, king of digital marketing, signing off. Bye bye for now. See you in part 19. I meant see you soon. Right? Bye. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. And we're looking at canva.com and how you can use it for video making. And this is very amazing, guys. Okay, so you can use Canva for video making. Just click on video here in the dashboard and you'll be able to create videos. It can be videos just like ad videos, YouTube intros, video presentations, animated social media posts, YouTube video ad, okay, mobile videos, animated stories, Facebook videos, animated Facebook covers, social feed video ad, video collage, and vice versa. So I'm going to create something here. So I'm going to head over to YouTube intros. I'm going to click on that. Okay. Cool, so I got a YouTube intro out there, so I gotta first pick the template. So let me pick a great template. I'll fix this, okay? Or I can fix this too, okay, guys? So yes, so I'll pause this across. You get the volume. So suppose the volume was low or something like that. So this is kind of a video here. It's playing, and I can change this text. So legend rules, I can change this text to whatever I want. I can also change the text which is there just to give that feel that I'm talking about. So legend roles and legend roles. So now if I play the video, you'll understand the possibilities of that, right? So guys, pretty amazing, right? So you can use it for your live streams. You can loop it across, okay? Going live in 5 minutes or whatever, okay? So you can move this. Every object can be moved over here. And the backgrounds, if you don't want this background, you can change the background. So just delete that background or do a Control Z and head over to, say videos here, you see here. Pretty amazing, right? You can search for the right backgrounds here. So I'll search for futuristic backgrounds. So I'll type in future. If I find some backgrounds, you can just drag and drop this. So I'm going to find some free backgrounds here. So I'll do sky science fiction or whatever. We'll find some free backgrounds. All these backgrounds are amazing. Or I can just head over to Pixabay. Head over to videos. And now find future backgrounds. Here. Let me pick this. I'm going to download this. It's free for commercial use. No attribution required. Okay, guys. I'm going to download this. It's downloaded. Science fiction. I'm heading over back here. I'm going to upload this background from device. What I did was I went back. I clicked on upload media. Clicked on device. I'm going to upload that science fiction background. This is the background I'm talking about. It's uploading. Guys, it is uploading here. You gotta see it here. Pretty amazing. So I'll upload. By the time if you want, you can change the fonts. in your video. So whatever fonts that you want to change that, you can head over there and change the fonts. I think you'll have to select all this and then you can just change the font across. Yeah, there you saw that, guys. It's changed completely. Okay, pretty amazing. So now this video, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna drag this, or I just gonna drag this across and just click on that. Video has appeared. So now I can just fit it in. Okay, guys, I fit that video in, and now I'm gonna decrease the transparency so that gives me the same feel. Now let's play it with the transparency on. Oh my god, that's amazing, guys. Oh my goodness gracious me. This kind of animations are insane. Okay, so I can still play around with the transparency and make it black, so the transparency will be really good. Okay, so this is how it is. So I can just do like this, and I'll play it across. Okay, when you see the kind of transparencies that's going to be shrinked in terms of just hidden, it gives that picture. Okay, so now you can also add photos along with this. Okay, you can add different kinds of photos here that are there. Instead of just videos, you can just put the photos across and do a lot of magic here. I don't want that, so I'll just click on this undo button. Elements, you can click on whatever elements that you want and add those symbols across here. Different kinds of elements are found, different kinds of stuff are found. I like this circle out there, it's pretty amazing. So like this, and I can just position it backward. I want to position it still backward. It's gone fully back, right? Oh my god, it's gone completely back. Okay, and then I can do whatever I want, like this or whatever, right? So okay, I don't want too many of these texts to come on here, so I can just do something like, okay, in fact, remember the circle, let's put a moon or something like that. So legend rules, keep it there it looks neat. You can just change the position of the moon to whatever position you want. You can apply filters and effects for the moon, so you can do different kinds of effects. I think Violet would suit here, right? Exactly. There are also different effects like bad TV, color mix, glitch, liquify, and vice versa. You can even adjust the contrast, the brightness of the moon or whatever it is, whatever the symbol is. You can position it across. This is a must-watch educative video for graphic designers. People who are already use Canva, they have to come to know that Canva for the video exists. Okay? Till now, we are looking at Canva for photos. Now it's Canva for videos. So things exist, guys. Okay? You got to know about that. So then there is something called as link. You can link that across. So then there is log the particular object or whatever it is. That's fine. So music. If you want music, you can go ahead and give any music that you want here. Just click on that. I'll come there. Okay. So then if you want to duplicate this slide, okay, this page, there's something called a duplicate page button. So you can duplicate this and change whatever. I'm a clone or whatever. Like legend. So guys, you understood, right? So you can duplicate whatever you want. And you can duplicate different times and just change the background if you want. You can do that. So I want to change this background here. I just dragging this and changing the background. You saw that, guys, how easily the background has changed. I don't want this arrow here, but I want this in white, so I can do that. So it's pretty much amazingly visible. Moon that's not linear on the first one. I need the moon, whatever. So understand, guys. So that's how it works. And if you're a little fuzzy about knowing the templates stuff, you can do it on your own. But otherwise, also you can use the templates. Templates are very good. But remember, when you're in a certain page and then you put across the template here, it will replace the current page or add as a new page. Okay, so click on replace or replace the page like this. Okay, guys, it's pretty amazing, right? Oh my god, this is amazing templates. The templates are really marvelous, right? So you have some templates which goes on to about different slides altogether. 3 slides and all we have for one template. It's pretty amazing. There, Astro Fly Girl. Oh my god, Astro Fly Girl, are you there? Oh, that's cool. How to win your solo battles easily. Pretty amazing. So now you understood, guys. You can upload your own videos from Pixabay, from wherever you want, and say pixels.com/videos. This is also for free footage. You can get a lot of free footage here. Then Mixkit, we have Mixkit. Okay, mixkit.co. This is also free assets for your next video project. Okay, you can get a lot of free footage here. Pretty amazing. Okay, pretty cool, right? Music you add, background you want to change something, you can change that. Folders if you want to organize into folders, more. So here also there's Pixabay. There are a lot of app integrations like Pixabay embeds, emojis, Instagram, Dropbox Connect, and all this stuff. Integrations. We have a lot of things. Pixton is amazing, guys. Oh my god, that's unbelievable. Pixton is there. Pixton helps you to create comics, and these are amazing. Pixton helps you to create amazing comics out there, right? So there's a comic creator, guys. This is Pixton. Anybody can make comics, so it's pretty amazing out there. Okay. It's useful for educators, for students, for parents, and businesses. Pixton is amazing. Anybody can create comics. That's skyrocket. Okay. So understand. So you can connect all that stuff. Typeform. Your designs can be added. Typeform is a form kind of thing. It's a beautiful form, by the way. Bitmojis you can add. Box, Flickr, YouTube videos can be added to your design. You can just search inside this, and you can connect this app and then search inside YouTube and add that to your designs. The videos from YouTube. Okay, so styles and charts, they're also pretty amazing. You can look at the styles, so it's going to change the style. Is that, guys? How automatically it's changing the styles? That's unbelievable. And then colors, you want to change the colors. Automatically it'll change the colors. You don't have to worry about color changes or like we are worrying here, right? So here you can also do that same thing. Okay, the color combinations, the stuff, which should be really good. Okay, the fonts will be amazing, guys. So it should look really cool. It's in styles. You can apply that to all pages. That's pretty cool. You can do however you want. So these look really good. Okay, now it looks really good, right? So you can apply that to all pages by just clicking on that particular button that says apply to all pages. Then embeds, that's all fine. Jiffy is for that. Remember that GIF files. You can moving GIFs you can do there in Jiffy. That's pretty amazing. Add there too. Charts. When it comes to charts, different kinds of charts you can do, and you can add them right inside Canva. Okay, different kinds of charts. So in your videos also you can have moving charts like this, and that's pretty cool. So you can have moving charts in your videos. You can change the figures here. Okay, there you have it, and you can create really great charts. Oh my god, I'm going insane. This is pretty amazing. Okay, so that's how, guys, you can do all the styles, the fonts, all the stuff that you want. And then once you do everything, click on the three dots and click download the video. Hit download it. Present will present the video. Download will download the video. Facebook page recommended there. Sharing on a Facebook page. Sharing the link. Present and record can be done. Twitter, email, Google Drive, Dropbox, and you can click on see all. You can print it as a flyer, as a business card, as a poster, whatever you want. And you can click on see all, so you'll see so many integrations here. Microsoft OneDrive, we have MailChimp, we have Pinterest, we have LinkedIn profile, we have LinkedIn page, we have Slack, we have Tumblr, we have Embed, we have website to create. You can turn that on a website, right, for your website. Microsoft PowerPoint and schedule, vice versa. Okay, pretty cool. Now I hope you enjoyed this amazing stuff for video making, Canva students and graphic designers. I hope you definitely love this. Okay, bye bye for now. Hi there, this is marketing legend Srinidhi Ranganathan. We are here in shortsnap.com. It's SHOTS, shorts, NAPP, okay, .com. Okay, guys, so it's pretty amazing. Short Snap. So you can show up your app, you can show off your design your website, your product, guys, in a very intuitive manner. Okay, you can create beautiful 3D kind of mock-up images for an app or websites. Okay, this is useful for if you have if you're an app developer. This will be very useful for you. If you're a website developer, also it'll be very useful for you. Okay, and it's also going to be useful for say graphic designers. Also graphic designers, app developers, and website designers. This is a tool that's you're going to do it. So all you got to do is design your own device mockups in seconds. Choose a device, add an image of your design or screenshot, make some changes to the appearances, and download it. It's so easy, guys. It's very easy. It's really great. You'll have custom fonts. So it's really beautiful fonts that they have from various devices, and beautiful photos with Unsplash. It's amazing. Commercial free photos and all this stuff is there. So there are beautiful pre-designed templates. Okay, there are lots of templates. You can use them and enjoy life to the fullest potential. So it's a great tool to create something really beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna click on try out. So we have a lot of variety of designs here. So I can choose whatever design I would need. So I'll click this. You also have objects like browsers, laptops, displays, tablets, watches, text, icons, and the layers, which are iPhone 8 or whatever. So you can pick whatever canvas that you want. So maybe you want iPhone X, XS, 11 Pro, 6S Plus, 7 Plus, 8 Plus, iPhone 6, 6S, 7, 8, iPhone SE, 3.5-inch iPhone 4S, Android devices portrait, screenshot, Android devices, landscape games, Instagram photos, Instagram stories, Facebook covers, Twitter headers, Twitter timelines, Pinterest standard pins, Pinterest giraffe pin, and dribble. So once you have this, this is just to zoom out. Okay, zoom in and zoom out. So once you choose that particular one, you get to choose a photo from Unsplash, or if you have a screenshot, you can choose that. Before that, change the colors. So whatever colors you want, you can change that across. So maybe you want a black, you want a white background. Color should be say 70% or whatever, guys. So if you don't want a color, just make it 100%, guys. Okay. So different sizes, custom canvas. This I already told you about. You can, if you have a screenshot of something, just put that there. Otherwise, you can just choose a photo from Unsplash. I'm going to choose that. So here I'm going to choose some photo from Unsplash. They all look good. They all look amazing. I'm going to choose this or this. Okay, pretty amazing, right? So this also is pretty cool. Okay, so that scale mode, cover, auto, whatever, you can do that. So that's for scaling kind of thing. Position can be center left, center right, whatever you want to give that. And then here, when you got to use the image, just click on that iPhone, click on that particular device. Then you drag your design or screenshot here. So maybe I want to drag something. So I want to use something here. I want to use this. Sorry, that's hold on. I'll use this. There you go. So you have to, first of all, you'll have to what you call as scale it. So if you're unable to scale it, guys, you got to design your content accordingly. So you see this 750 into 1334. So suppose I have Canva here with me. Okay, hello there. I'm going to go to custom dimensions. See this custom dimensions. What are the dimensions there? 750 into 1334. Okay, is it the width? Yeah. 750 into 1334. 750 into 1334. I'm going to create a new design. So now I got the size. Okay, so I can just choose anything that I want and I can edit this, whatever. So I'll choose something which is really good. This is a normal design. So get this. It does not matter how slow you go, so long as you don't stop. Motivation daily. I'll get this. I can even change the images here and backgrounds, whatever. So whatever I want, I can do that. This looks pretty neat. So let it be there. Okay. So I'm going to download this as PNG. I'm going to download this. Let's download from Canva. I'm going to head over to Short Snap. Okay, guys. So the image style is the way we get something. So I'm going to edit this and get this. There you go. So I'm going to scale this across. So guys, amazing, right? So it got the image in that particular iPhone size or whatever you want. So you can just drag it, you can adjust it accordingly and create an amazing graphic. This can also be helpful for web designers, app designers. Web designer, how will be useful as I'll use. For example, if you're a web designer, right? So all you gotta do is you can just share your screenshot of your website in a mobile phone to customers, or you can use an advertisement or promotions, or if you want to show it to your clients, you can use that. Or if you're an app designer, you can screenshot how the app would look, right? You can take a screenshot and put it there in a device, and your app is going to look like this to your client. You can tell them, they're going to go completely insane. The clients, they're going to go completely mad, your clients, by seeing this kind of designs. Oh my god, they're going to say, right? So that's how your clients are going to react to this. Pretty amazing, right? So, and forget the clients, your employees in your office are going to react to this like this. If you're working in an office, your boss is going to react to this like, oh my god, this looks insane out there. Okay, so understand. So you can also do objects. It is not just phones, browsers, laptops, displays, tablets, watches, Apple watches, or whatever. Text icons also. The layers can be suited according to devices. There are lots of layers out there, lots of stuff out there you can do it. Once it's all done, you just click on preview and download it. That's it, guys. Enjoy life to the fullest potential. You got the most mesmerizing design in all the planet. So that's how it is, okay? That's how it really is. Okay? Yes. This is marketing legend, Srinidhi Ranganathan, king of digital marketing, signing off. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye for now.